So okay, 15. When do you want?
Yeah, need a 10 days only prefer 10.
After 10 days, okay. 18 crores.
Ma-
18.
interim
18
order
November?
to-
Okay.
My lord, interim order
Pardon
to
to
be
make
continued.
mention, manners.
Yes.
Interim order to be continued.
Okay. And sorry bani ki? And we are
my lord-
Chalti.
My lord, item 30.
Kौन I was sorry bini. No, sorry. बोल देगा. बिना मुझे बिना मेंशनिंग तो फर्स्ट सुनी तो तभी सुनी ली. अब आप गुड़े पर गुड़े बड़े चल चलते कौन आड़ा? हाँ.
Pardon to make
जो जोगान केंद्र रे ये होची. इनका लंबे चल चलते अपन. Yes.
Extremely sorry, manners. The item with Gopal Jain, Mr. Gopal Jain was appearing. This is an interim order. Made it continue, manners.
Interim order to continue that. 15 day.
Deeply obliged, manners.
Item number 1.
May I please?
15 day. Interim order to continue.
Petition is working is G Gram Rojagar Sebok.
Yeah.
Is challenging the stepmother attitude of the opposite parties in not considering the case of the
So you
present
want to just show him motherly attitude, not step motherly, right?
stepmotherly attitude.
So you say motherly attitude.
Step, sorry, I am forgetting about
Okay,
step.
good.
Especially by invoking
Why
section
step motherly?
because
All stepmothers are not bad. There are some good stepmothers also.
by invoking the section 18 of the MGNRS Act, the
What? NG?
Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act 2005. The Principal Secretary Government of Odisha pleased to insert certain guidelines for regarding the order transfer of the GRS, in which Principal Secretary to Government PR and Public Department has clearly stated that the GRS should have been transferred within the block.
As far as
Your lordship's
practicable.
order by what?
As far as practical.
Yes, that's right. Then it is
You are
mentioned.
not saying that part.
No,
That is very
that I have
important.
annexed, your
You
lordship.
can't just ignore that part.
And I have already annexed by honorable
As
your
far as
lordship's order.
practicable.
By what?
Because that is based, this circular is based on my order.
Yes, I am saying that
that
your
wording
lordship's
has also they have put that.
By-
As far as practicable. In some cases what happens, you find there are, despite best effort, they can't. So that's why as far as practicable I will.
Yes, my responsibility by the same order, another GRS by order of that insertion of the principal by relying that notification amendment of the principal secretary, other GRS case may already been considered. But my
Your
case,
case has not been considered.
I have given the annexure 7 kindly.
So
glance.
that's why that has become stepmother, right? So why don't you behave with a motherly attitude, Mr. State? You're showing stepmotherly attitude. Stepmothers are bad. All stepmothers are not.
And I am
bad.
not saying a lot.
Here, maybe the stepmother might be good also. You never know. Yes, what do you say?
Annexure 7 is pending by my.
I wrote pending.
Saying that consideration of representation. I will take it.
Representation by any kind.
No,
I have said the representation by equal. Representation by kya asibani. Representation karwa ase direct study jibo thik hai. Don't waste time of the court by lollipop jurisprudence I don't like. Apan this study jibo thik hai.
No, my lord.
I am disposing it off. Laga.
By
Laga. The
one more.
Order pass korchi. If you don't allow me to pass the order, then I straight away dismiss it.
Absolutely.
Representation देवर जवाब था सेट दिन आगे ठीक है इसको representation क्या बात है लेकिन representation
3rd of October lordship.
हाँ
3rd of October. No, 29/9 your lordship. 29/9.
what is
Annexure 7 page 21 your lordship. I have annexed the annexure 6 same person.
यार पठेचंती कौन proof अछि
File करछि postal receipt tracking report ता अछि 22-23 page रे.
postal receipt tracking report okay
AD card ro receipt ता एटा
लगा Lord Constable, the petitioner submits that the authority has not considered the petitioner's request for no sorry बोल करो the petitioner has filed the present petition seeking cancellation of the order of transfer of the petitioner in the light of the government of Orissa PR and WW Department letter number 19144 dated 25/8/2023, as has already been done in case of
Rohit
one
Kumar
Rohit
Gaud.
Kumar Gowda, who was transferred along with the petitioner by the order of the learned collector with a letter number 7120. Collector का लिख देना collector के को district लिखी भी नहीं
Ganjam I have also
लिखी
mentioned.
भी नहीं गंजाम बोली collector लिखी जाना पड़ेगा Should be very particular in everything. Collector Ganjam, video letter number 7120, letter 28/6/2023. The grievance of the petitioner is that though the petitioner is similarly placed with one Rohit Kumar Gowda, his case has not been considered and he has been transferred outside the block. Outside the block and distance.
Lordship, Bhanjanagar block and the Diha Point is GP, Lordship.
Are kete duro?
100 kilometer distance, Lordship.
So it has been transferred from Bhanjanagar to Digapandi.
Lordship, Suruda block to Bhanjanagar block.
From Suruda block to Bhanjanagar block, which is about 100 kilometers. By
Sir,
distance.
chop. Kindly have a glass to page 24, madam. They are document.
24.
24, madam. First, serial number 1. ତାଙ୍କଟା ସୁରଡା ବ୍ଲକ ରୁ ସେ ଯାଉଛନ୍ତି ଭଞ୍ଜନଗର ଓନ୍ ଜିପି ସେଠି ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି କିଲୋମିଟର ଫ୍ରମ ହୋମ ଟୁ ଅର୍ଡର 24 କିଲୋମିଟର
I have given all my transfer.
Bro,
Yes. I have given all my transfers.
ଆପଣ କୋଉଠୁ transfer
ମୋର fifth transport ହଉଛି
ଆରେ ଏବେ
Suruda block ରୁ Bhanjanagar block 100 km distance. I have given in my transfer order dated 28/2023.
Suruda to Bhanjanagar.
Yes,
It
my
will be around 100
transfer
kilometers.
order, sir, that is.
It will be around 100 kilometers. You're right. Because from Bhanjanagar is about 50, yes, it can be around 100 kilometers, I think. Around 100 kilometers. So, also, and the concept of the petitioner further submits that he has given a representation to the authority. Representation dated 29/9/2023, and the said representation is still pending before the collector Ganjam, Chhatrapur. Also, and concept of the petitioner submits that as per the new guideline, as per the new amended guideline, the petitioner should have been transferred to a place within the same block to minimize the inconvenience to the present petitioner. However, the transfer of the present petitioner to the far off place is likely to cause difficulties for his conveyance and other or making a separate setup at the new place. With this scant salary, the present petitioner cannot manage to join in the other place till the next date. File the reply. Around representation, file the reply.
I have already joined my new place of posting,
Already
Lordship.
joined.
I have already joined. Last 3 months I have already joined. But now I respect submission that one case of the present other GRS has been
Okay,
already.
let him file the reply. Okay. Leaves the matter on 14th. Hello. He should show, and I would ଏଥିରେ ଆପଣ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ circular ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଯୋଡ଼ିବା ଥିଲା ଯଦି ଆପଣ କରୁଛନ୍ତି କଣ administrative exigency ଲେଖିବେ ସେଥିରେ ଟ୍ରାନ୍ସପୋର୍ଟ ଅର୍ଡର ନିହାତି ଲେଖିବେ ଆଉ ଖାଲି ଏବେ ଟ୍ରାନ୍ସଫର କରିଦେଲେ administrative exigency ହେଇଯିବ ଜଣେ ଲୋକ ଭଲ ଦେଖିଲା ତା ମୁହଁ ଭଲ ଦେଖାଯାଉନି ତାକୁ ଟ୍ରାନ୍ସଫର କରିଦେଲା ଆଜି ସୁନ୍ଦର ଅଛି ତାକୁ ପାଖରେ ରଖିବ ଏମିତି ହେଲେ ହବନି it has to be some reason, should be reason based. Like the authority should transfer the person by giving him the appropriate reason for the transfer. Last. Next date hela. So 12 December.
12th,
14th.
14th November, Lordship.
On November.
Blessed.
No, I don't give long date unless it is boring matter. Wait kari bare lamba chalibo सब. Next. Number 2.
Item number 2.
2. You are there?
Please. But this is read the applications against
Das and Das company.
I'm sorry. I'm grateful, my lord.
Okay, don't answer that.
This order is against the permanent Lok Adalat award. That is on page 18. What
You are
happened?
for MD, Orissa State Finance Corporation.
Yes, I'm appearing for MD, Odisha State Finance Corporation.
What is the order?
What happened? I will explain all that within 2 to 3
Yes,
minutes.
please,
Then
please.
what happened? But the Hindustan Knots and Bolts company was there. He didn't pay the amount. That is why under section 29, that
He didn't pay the amount when he didn't refund the loan.
Loan, which seized under section 29 since long. Then what happened? It remained some years. Then subsequently, the advertisement issued for sale of that is machineries and also entire properties. What happened? The present opposite party number 1. What happened? He was the highest bidder and became the auction purchaser. So auction purchaser, we handed over, and auction purchaser, we handed over the entire machineries in the consideration amount of 4,19,000. So Lordship kindly see page 26 kindly.
After that, what happened? Just tell me. After that.
What happened? Entire consideration amount he paid. Then we handed over the entire properties. So he has
But only machinery or the
only machineries
other
and machineries. Only machineries. Only machineries. So he took 90% of the machineries from that place.
Nice.
Then what happened in that place? That door was very narrow. That is why raised 20% of machineries because of nuts and bolts they couldn't take away. So that is why some disputes are there. So it took some time. So the person, the original borrower, that is his claim that he created some problem. The auction purchaser said that raised 20% of amount. In fact, the borrower he created problem. So we handed over the entire things. Sale memo was there. So everything was there. 90% properties and 90% machinery has shifted. Then from 10 to 50% machinery, some disputes are there. Be that as it may.
Disputes mean with respect to problem of the removal.
Problem of removal. Who handed over the entire properties and also he received that, and entire agreement was there. All papers, transaction was there. Then subsequently, because of his request, we also request the police, also request the sub-collector for removal of these problems, so to sort out these difficulties. He didn't agree. The present opposite party number 1, and he is the auction purchaser. Then subsequently file one claim petition before the Permanent Lok Adalat, Dhenkanad. Then what happened, my lord?
Sir, one thing. Just theoretically, I'm saying. Forget about your problem.
That's correct.
An auction purchase, it is very difficult to find an auction purchase nowadays.
That's
In
correct.
many cases,
Yes,
auction date is fixed. Nobody comes.
that's correct.
It is very difficult to find an auction purchase.
That's correct.
And is it not the duty of the authority, that is the banking authority,
That's correct.
whatever, OSFC, who bank, who GB.
Yeah, that's correct.
So to give him all the less cumbersome procedure, आपण काढी के आपण दबा काम आपण नुहे.
No, that's correct.
हाँ फिर आपण काढी के देबेनी कौन पे काढी के देबे से कहीं कॉन्फ्लिक्ट से फेस करियो.
No, sir.
आपण जतल दउछंती पूरा एंटायर थिंग काढी के आपण निजे देबे.
No, sir.
आ से कहीं फेस करियो नेला वाला से आगुडे लोग कहीं के ऑब्स्ट्रक्ट करियो.
No, that's
The
correct.
duty of the financial institution to give him the
That is correct. Lordship is correct.
it should be less cumbersome.
Lordship is correct. जो auction
unencumbered हवा कथा सब जिनिस.
नहीं अपन जोटा कहले जे आजिकली auction purchaser difficulties नहीं इठी भी सही है sir.
Even few days back,
That's
Supreme Court Justice Bikram Nath has passed a judgment. One cell certificate is issued.
Aye.
पर एटा तो आपन कर एटा ये जो
Machinery.
machinery. One cell certificate is issued.
Aye.
You cannot retreat. You cannot just say no after that. The पछरे जे ओनर आसीबो कोइ पैसा दे देला आपन जाके फेरे देबो, you cannot do that. Once cell certificate issued, then it is final.
That is final. That's
Cannot
correct.
change.
That is the law of the land.
law of the land ହେଇ ନଥିଲା, ଏବେ law of the land
That is the law.
ହଉଥିଲା, ଏମିତି ଚାଲିଥିଲା.
That is the law.
ମୁଁ ତ 2-3ଟା କେସରେ ମୁଁ ନିଜେ କରି ଦେଇଛି
That is the
order.
law.
ସୁପ୍ରିମ କୋର୍ଟ ଦେଇଛି order.
Again. Sir,
ଅକ୍ସନ ପରଚେଜ ହେଇ ସାରିଛି, କନଭେନ୍ସିଂ ପୂର୍ବରୁ
sir.
ପାର୍ଟି ଆସିଥିଲା ସୁପ୍ରିମ କୋର୍ଟ ହେଲା ଓକେ କନଭେନ୍ସିଂ ହେଇନି ତ ଦେଇଦିଅ,
My lord.
ତାକୁ ଏତିକି ପରସେଣ୍ଟ ଏକ୍ସଟ୍ରା ରେଟ୍ ଅଫ ଇଣ୍ଟରେଷ୍ଟ ଦେବ, ଦେଇଦେଲା.
My lord.
କିନ୍ତୁ that situation is no more there. That was I'm talking about in the year 17-16 तक एटा भी चालिଥିଲା. ଏବେ latest situation ହେଲା one cell certificate is issued, you cannot. Now things are over.
That's the
You are bound to hand over.
That's correct. What happened? ଏଥିରେ sir କଣ ହେଲା ନା
ଏଥିରେ ଆପଣଙ୍କର default ଆପଣ ସାଇଡ ରେ.
sir
ଆପଣ is it not your duty to give it to the auction purchaser?
sir ଆମେ ତାକୁ ଦେଇଦେଲୁ ସବୁ
ଦେଇଦେଲେ କେତେବେଳେ ଦେଲେ?
ନାଇଁ,
ଆପଣ
sir.
କାଢିକି ଦେବା କଥା,
Sir.
କାଢିକି ଆପଣ ନିଜେ ଦେବେ ତାକୁ.
sir ଶୁଣନ୍ତୁ ସେ ତାର ନିଜେ
ଯେହେତୁ plant and machinery
supplementary message.
हां तो आपण काढी के देबे ना
से सब निजे
किंतु आपनकर नहले आपण से काढिबो आपनकर प्रेजेंस रे काढिबो
सर से डिसमेंटल करी सब नेला ही निजे ही हिमसेल्फ
आपण तो कहउछन 20% नहीं पाला नहीं रिमूवल
नहीं नेला से 20% नहीं पाला
हां नहीं पाला आपण कांता पडी थाते आ ताको देई थाते
सर
ଯଦି କାଢି ହେଲାନି କାନ୍ଥଟା ଆଉ ଟିକେ ବଡ ଓସାର କରି ଦେଇଥାନ୍ତେ ଆଉ କାଢି ଦେଇଥାନ୍ତେ
तार से बोरोर से जगहटा प्लेस था तेणु सेठी सर भांगी करी दबा पाई से जगहटा भी तार डोर टा भी भांगी के दबा पाई सर पुलिस प्रोटेक्शन रोड लेटर
सेटा आगुरु कहीं कलेनी
नहीं
आपण देला बेले ही से काम कर दी थांते
सर देला बर्ता परे सर हला कान देला बळे सर निजे से कहला जे मु नेबी बोली
नेबी कहला जे आपनकर ड्यूटी नहीं
सर जस्ट
आपनकर बैंक रो गुड रिप्रेजेंटेटिव छिडा हेबनी से
sir we can't escape from this that's lordship is correct I agree with the lordship sir एतरे कोन त पर हला सर ए सिचुएशन रे सर लोक अदालत को गला सर परमानेंट लोक अदालत सर परमानेंट लोक अदालत सर ढेंकानाल सर परमानेंट लोक अदालत रे कला पर सेठी सर हमर रिटन स्टेटमेंट जा हवा कथा फाइनेंस कॉर्पोरेशन न ही सबमिटेड इज रिटन स्टेटमेंट सर सब्सिक्वेंटली सर परमानेंट लोक अदालत सर अनगुड परमानेंट लोक अदालत नुवा क्रिएट हला ए तो सर परमानेंट लोक अदालत सर क्रिएट हला पर सिटी सर जे प्रिजाइडिंग ऑफिसर बा चेयरमैन सी सर एडजुडिकेट कले से मैटर सर एडजुडिकेट
आपण इटे करि ना दी माने हमर कंसोलिडेशन मीटिंग डाकि
सर म आसीबी सर आसीबी सर आसुची सर मु सर
सेटा को आसंतु हेला ना हे
अच्छा हो सर कंसोलिडेशन पे सर एते सेक्शन ढेंकानाल कंसोलिडेशन ता स्टार्ट हला किंतु कंसोलिडेशन ने हमर जो ब्रांच मैनेजर तांको सर अपॉर्चुनिटी भी सेम दिया हला नहीं गोटे सिटिंग भी हे पारे नहीं बिकॉज़ ऑफ सब रीजन सब्सिक्वेंटली सही जंक्शन रे सर ऑन गोल को ट्रांसफर
एतरे अपॉर्चुनिटी वेरी गुड आपण का कंसेंट दुई जनकर कंसेंशल ये
है नहीं सर है नहीं एतरे
अपॉर्चुनिटी हियरिंग को
सर एतरे अपॉर्चुनिटी वाज नॉट गिवन टू द फाइनेंस कॉर्पोरेशन for ventilate is entire documents so ए सिचुएशन ने ऑनगोल सर कोन हला थोड़ा एडजुडिकेशन हला सर सेथरे हमको नोटिस हलानी किछि हलानी दैट इज व्हाई अवार्ड हैज पास सर एंटायर कंस्टिट्यूशन 4,19,000 टंका जोटा से जतिक रे नैथिला सर 80% नै सरछि सेथरे सर 80% नै साला पर 4,19,000 होछि अवार्ड दैट वाज माय ग्रीवेंस सर मु कोछि सर अपॉर्चुनिटी सर दिया है नहीं तब सेक्शन 19 ऑफ दैट लोक अदालत इट इज वेरी क्लियरली सेड 1905 रे सर एतरे से कोर्ट ते गोटे वार्डिंग होची the provides a jurisdiction of the local adalat to arrive at a compromise on settlement between the parties in dispute. The award appears to be an adjudication on claim of compensation and litigation cost. Sir, it is adjudication ta sir hela. Ithre compensation sir create करके sir से ithre से हमको जी entire पैसा टा दियो. Sir, it is a money claim.
केते वर्ष में?
हां सर.
एई जो इश्यू टा केते वर्ष माने आपनकर दी
2000
ऑक्शन परचेजर जो
2007 रे सर
ताको दिया गला
2007 सर
7 रो अब एटा ऑर्डर अवार्ड केबे हला
ए अवार्ड ता हला केबे अवार्ड 18 पेज रे 25/22 रे सर
7 रो 15 वर्ष जने लोग स्ट्रगल करिवो टू रिसीव एक्शन परचेजर माने कोन ताल रहला आपन ठीक ऑर्डर बढ़िया अछि किछि ऑर्डर बोले ऑक्शन परचेज ताल लोकर कोन तार सेंटिटी रहला गोटे लोक जदी 15 वर्ष स्ट्रगल करिवो से जिंस पाया पई से जिंस पाइला से जिंस अधा तार स्टे ले जितो आपण निजे भावंतु गोटे मशीन टे जदी मु पाइबी 15 वर्ष पर पाइबी आज मशीन वर्केबल कंडीशन 15 वर्ष पर खत होई जितो
सर सेटा
करबो कोन
सर सेटा होछि नॉट्स एंड बोल्ट्स
ना नॉट्स एंड बोल्ट हेले भी जहां भी हेला
से तो
जहां भी हेला नॉट एंड बोल्ट तार ये डेप्रिसिएशन नहीं तार वेयर एंड टियर नहीं
सर एबे कोन हिची सर जो बाहर नगर सर जोटा हेला नहीं एबे सर केते कोटी टंका कलकत्ता जने से तार भांगी की कबाड़ी वाला सेटा
केते कोन हला हम जने हम एई
सर ये पर्टिकुलर इश्यू सर हमको एक्चुअली
एई कथा रे आपण फर्स्ट कथा हला why did you not
hand over the entire
as soon as it is done? Why did the person to wait for 15 years?
नहीं इतने सर correspondence continue जी was very much aware of the situation.
Why should he wait for 15 years?
नहीं सर सेटे sir
you just put that person suppose you are the auction purchaser no you have your condition
no about down
will you not go to the this permanent lok adalat
that is permanent
and he has rightly the permanent rightly taken decision
sir more grievance
generally I find fault with them here they are not fault
sir more itre sir grievance ta
in most of the cases I find fault with the permanent lok adalat order but here I don't find fault
sir more sir itre specific grievance hoji sir itre permanent lok adalat without coming to the compromise situation, sir.
It has given that opportunity also.
Sir, opportunity, sir, same thing, sir.
When the opportunity are given, why didn't you go with all your documents? You have not
Sir,
taken the
paragraph 4
documents.
sir, award sir, dekhantu.
No,
Sir, it is very specifically said
No.
that in
This
fact
this
is an ex
this
parte
this
order.
actually we're putting the burden on the person. A person who is purchasing, what is his fault? He has to purchase your defunct things. He has the auction purchase.
Lordship, correct.
And
Lordship.
he has to
I
wait for
felt-
15 years. No, sorry.
I
Without
felt-
issuing notice, I'll dismiss it. Sorry, sir. It's not a good case to entertain. I'll definitely entertain is a good case. 15 वर्ष लोग काहे wait करियो first?
Lordship, kindly say the page
We have
26.
to see the both sides.
And that's it.
Yeah.
Lordship is correct. I also say-
ଆପଣଙ୍କ ସଂସ୍ଥା ଗୁଡା କେତେ ମାନେ କୋଉ ଟାଇପର ସଂସ୍ଥା ଆପଣ ଭାବନ୍ତୁ everything is not well in
ନାଇଁ sir, ସେଥିରେ sir actually
15 ବର୍ଷ ଲାଗିବ ଗୋଟେ ଲୋକକୁ
ନାଇଁ sir.
ଅକ୍ସନ ପେଜର ମାନେ କଣ ରହିଲା ତାର
sir, ଗୋଟେ sir
ମୁଁ ପଇସା ଦେଇକି 15 ବର୍ଷ ୱେଟ୍ କରିବି ତାହେଲେ ଗୋଟେ କାମ କରନ୍ତୁ କେତେ ଦେଇଛି ମୁଁ ତ ଆଉ ଭାବୁଛି ଆଉ 2-4 ହଜାର ବଢେଇ ଦେବି
ନାଇଁ ସେଥିରେ sir 4,19,000
ଠିକ
ଟଙ୍କା
ଦେଇଛି କିଛି ଖରାପ ଦେଇନି
Sir.
ତାର ଇଣ୍ଟରେଷ୍ଟ ଦେଇଯାଇଥାନ୍ତା
sir
15 ବର୍ଷ ୱେଟ୍ କରିବ ତ ଇଣ୍ଟରେଷ୍ଟ
sir 9% କରିଛି ପୁରା
9% ଇଣ୍ଟରେଷ୍ଟ ହେଲେ ଆଉ ତ ମୋ ମତରେ 20
ନାଇଁ sir, ମୁଁ sir ସେ କଥା କହୁନି sir, ମୁଁ କହୁଛି ଯେ ସେ sir 80% ମେସିନାରିଜ ନେଇଗଲା ପରେ ଟୋଟାଲ 4,19,000 ଟଙ୍କାରେ ଛେଡିଲା ପରେ ତାକୁ sir ଏଣ୍ଟାୟାରଟା ପୁଣି sir ପଇସା କେମିତି ତାକୁ ଦିଆଯିବ ସେଇଟା sir ପରମାନେଣ୍ଟ ଲୋକ
I am issuing notice. Let go. The petitioner has challenged the order passed by the permanent local government. Hon'Ble. In the about dated 25/1/15 passed by the permanent local government Hon'Ble in PLA case number 25/58 of 2020 verse 2019. Wherein the learned permanent of local government has passed an order rejecting the petitioner to refund ₹4,19,000 with 9% interest per annum within 1 month of date of the order. The case boils down to the fact that the auction took place on 17/1/2007 and the auction purchaser deposited the amount before the branch manager OSFC Limited Hon'Ble branch. Accordingly, money receipt was also issued to the present petitioner, to the opposite party, the auction purchaser. It is a sorry state of affairs that a auction purchaser has to wait for 15 years to get back the item auction. Considering all these facts, learned Lok Adalat, permanent Lok Adalat has awarded the passed the impune award. The grievance of the petitioner is that despite it, where is the proof that 80% he is taken?
that himself permanent local that himself said. And that also in the Lordship, can you see
The petitioner submit that the petition, the auction person has already taken 80% of the knots and bolts for which was auctioned, and remaining 20%, about 20% could not be handed over due to the difficulty in removal of those machineries. Hence, it took such a long time. He further submits that because of some hindrances created by the NOMI, things did not go smoothly. Hence, the delay is unwarranted and unintentional. Considering all these facts, that notice be issued to OP number. एथरा काउंटर एजेंडर करिवे straight I will finish it on that day. The person other day आसीबो सेही दिन खत्म कर दिया काउंटर एजेंडर पे समय देबी. Then you cannot say natural justice. It is natural justice which is किसी नहीं. से आसीबो से कहबो खत्म.
Obligement.
In case of natural justice is मान. OP number 1 by registered post. Within 3 working days. Release the matter on 21 December. 21st December. Next.
Item number 3.
3.
Yeah.
Sir, interim order.
Interim order.
Stay. Obligement.
In the meeting that should be stay. Order passed. Next.
May I please, Your Lord? GRS matter, my lord, the petition challenge on under annexure 4 for transfer of Hon'Ble block to Belunta block, my lord.
Item number 3.
Item number
Yes,
3.
Your lord,
Transfer from
Hon'Ble block to Belunta block, my lord.
Bhanjanagar to Belagunta.
Petition is a lady, my lord.
कितने दूर होगा?
More than 40 kilometers.
Belagunta.
Your lord, can you see page
Basic.
12 annexure 3, my lord.
About 50 kilometers. 55 is.
Lady.
Yes. So, what is the problem? Olga block.
Your lord, can you see the annexure 3?
Olga block.
Yes, my lord. Your lord, can you see the annexure 3, my lord?
यार वहाँ तो annexer आगे कोई facts are ना कोई annexer भी दिए.
Hon'Ble block to Belunta block.
What is the administrative inconvenience, sir? What are the inconvenience?
Petition is a lady, my lord.
Sir, कितने तक कहीं मुझे नहीं लड़ी मुझे नहीं सर ना तो जाने पर ची ये अतुल्य
Tulya.
हाँ
Your lord, she granted stay, my lord, in June, my lord, petitioner got transfer, my lord, and your lord, she entered the granted stay, my lord, your answer 2, my lord. Your lord, she can-
despite stay was there still
No, there are he
I withdraw, my lord. After all, your lord, she order, I withdraw the case, my
the
lord.
withdrew कैसा stay रे माने कौन डाल
Thereafter, after
कर
two-
दिला पर stay और किसी फायदा
Within 2 months, again,
that may be fresh का जब action stay कथा क्या कोचिंग डाल stay तो गला पर अपन withdraw करने लेना और stay यदि in operation था transfer कर दो then I would have seen this. Okay, Sam order कर देता है पूर्व
74
हाँ Sam सही Sam डे लगे ये गंजाम डिस्ट्रिक्ट में क्या हिंदी हुई थी तुमने वो दिन वो कलेक्टर को डाका then डाके next letter the reply I will call the collector. What is this? Ganjam district maximum से होती अब बाकी district तो ये problem आसुन किसी गंजाम और CM district बोली किंतु उसी collector आप किसी भाव नहीं इंद्र चंद्रमा नहीं next
Item number 4.
My lordship,
4
I am for item number 4. The petitioner he has been employed at Nalco smelter plant in 91 as crane operator. They then after 7 years during the work there is accident.
sir এটা এটি আসবে কি এটা এই compensation हम पाने थे এটা the workman's compensation नहीं
Workmen's compensation
labor ये related
as a
এটি আসবে
division bench.
हाँ it should go to division ଆପଣ ଯାଇଥିଲେ tribunal ଯାଇଥିଲେ
sir DLO से अच्छी annex रे
tribunal ଯାଇଥିଲେ କି
ट्रिब्यूनल रे सर एटा से ग्रीवांस जो देइथिला कलेक्टर को से पठै देथिले एठी की कमिश्नर फॉर वर्कमेन्स कंपेंसेशन
workman compensation yes since the matter pertaining to workman compensation let the matter be placed before in the preferred bench with the approval of next
Item number 5.
right
Wait, please, my lord. My lord, we are a trust who organizes seminars like every year. So this year we were supposed to organize a seminar for national security and integration. We sought for permission from the SP to organize the function on 5th 11th.
what do you do
We are
that
involved in
seminar, huh?
no, we are involved in social work. We look after the
No, no.
old people.
what kind of seminar you are
It is on national security and integration. There's a topic, and we are calling a reporter and other eminent persons to discuss about it. And
What is
other
the
people will.
problem?
Sorry, Manu.
What is the problem then?
The problem, police is not giving us permission to organize it.
Why?
They are saying we have sent them representations, we have sent them permission, they are not granting us permission. First,
Why? What is the
there's no
reason?
reason. They are not giving any reason. They just sat down with the representations with us. And it's supposed to be organized on 5th. On their instructions, we went and organized
Let him
on
take
5th.
instruction by tomorrow. And cancel the state to take instruction by tomorrow. Release the matter 2 p.m. Tomorrow 2 p.m.
High level.
Take oral instruction tomorrow. Because they are not along. Or you can ask better, they should send some instruction
Yes.
by mail or something. That's it.
Item
Next.
number 6.
6. 6. 6. Non-present. This is the matter on 14th December. Non-present for the petition.
Item number 7.
May I please? It's a contempt application, my lord. Your lordship, the petitioner and the other victims, my lord, they belong to scheduled tribe community.
Dispose of
No, writ application that dispose of होला.
contempt.
Contempt is pending.
First
contempt is disposed of, my lord.
କେତେଟା contempt ଆସିକି ଗୋଟେ
ଆଉ ତାପରେ ବି କରୁନାହାନ୍ତି।
second contempt ର କୋଉ provision ଅଛି ମତେ କହିଲେ? Where is the second
ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ
contempt provision?
contempt ରେ ସେ ଖାଲି କହିଦେଲେ ଯେ ସେଟା ଏତିକି ଦିନ ଭିତରେ ତମେ you take a decision.
ତ ନେଇନାହାନ୍ତି decision?
ନା।
ନେଇଛନ୍ତି। Show me.
ନେଇଛନ୍ତି?
Second
Comply
contempt
ହେଇଯାଇଛି?
କଥା ନେବା କଥା ନୁହେଁ।
ନା ହବା କଥା ନୁହେଁ ଏଠି ତ କିନ୍ତୁ
First time ମୁଁ ଶୁଣୁଛି second contempt, third contempt, fourth contempt.
here it is going
ବିରଳ
on what
ପ୍ରଜାତି
can be
ଏଠି ସବୁ।
done, my lord.
ଏ contempt ଗୁଡାକ ବିରଳ ପ୍ରଜାତି।
I also, my lord, my
Second,
case is
third,
also the
fourth,
same, my lord. There should not be one first to second, third contempt, my lord.
ଗୋଟେ contempt ହବ, second, third କଣ?
କଣ କରିଛନ୍ତି ମତେ
Criminal court ରେ case ଟା pending ଅଛି ବୋଲି ସେଟା ସେ consider କରିଲେନି। Last operative part ଅଛି।
କ୍ରିମିନାଲ କୋର୍ଟରେ ପେଣ୍ଡିଂ ଥିଲେ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ସେଡ୍ୟୁଲ ଅନୁସାରେ ଆପଣ ଦେବେ ଆଉ କ୍ରିମିନାଲ କୋର୍ଟରେ ପେଣ୍ଡିଂ ଥିଲେ ଏଫଆଇଆର ରେ କେତେ ପରସେଣ୍ଟ ଦେବେ ଇଏରେ କେତେ ପରସେଣ୍ଟ ଦେବେ ଚାର୍ଜ ସିଟ୍ ହେଲେ
ଏଇଟା
କେତେ
କଣ
ପରସେଣ୍ଟ
ଏଇଟା compensation ଟା?
compensation they have my lord your lordship may kindly come to my lord the order of in the writ application my lord
କେତେ
have-
ଆପଣ ମୋଟେ କିଛି ପାଇନାହାନ୍ତି?
କିଛି ପାଇନାହାନ୍ତି order ରେ your lordship may kindly have a glance at page 19 my lord
Just-
ସେମ-
just-
ଅନ୍ୟମାନଙ୍କୁ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ଆମକୁ
ତାଙ୍କର ଲେଟର ଟା ପଢେ ତ?
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
ତାଙ୍କ ଲେଟର ଟା ତାଙ୍କୁ ଦେଉନାହାନ୍ତି କପି ଲେଖିକି।
ଏଇଟା ଆମ official communication ତାକୁ
ଓ
ଦେଇଦେବେ।
ଆଚ୍ଛା ଆଚ୍ଛା। नहीं ये जो कलेक्टर ऑर्डर दबारे कौन सा है ऑफिशियल कम्युनिकेशन नहीं you give him a copy let him go through then I am fixing it day after
ସେଥିରେ ସେ କିଛି ଲୋକଙ୍କୁ compensation ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି
ଆପଣ
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ପଢିକି ବୁଝନ୍ତୁ ତାପରେ ଏତେ ଲମ୍ବା 5 ପେଜ ପଢିବା ମୋର ପେସେନ୍ସ ନାହିଁ କଣ ଯେ ଆପଣ ବୁଝନ୍ତୁ ଆଗ
let him supply copy
ये give a copy फोन नहीं जाना दिखाले फोन नहीं जाना फोन रो फोटो उठे ना तू टेक्नोलॉजी रे यूज करंतु
copy ଟେ ତ-
फोटो कॉपी करिवे बाहर देबे कोन बे पुराना कालिया फोन रे उठाନ୍ତୁ फोटो काम खाता
ଏଟା next week ରେ ଆସୁ next week ରେ in the meantime
ଆପଣ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ସେ କଣ ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି
yes yes
if you are not satisfied then we'll see that fifth ras huh? fifth sorry sixth December ये 2 डिसेंबर को पहला हुई तीनटा कैलेंडर एक गोटे रखिनो गोटे गोटे डिसेंबर
Item
a lot of
6.
confusion
Item 6, my lord. Pardon to me.
item
6.
yes 6 पर सइलानी आपण नथली कोन
My lord. There, my lord. The petitioner, the nomination.
डीजी एंड आईजी ऑफ पुलिस ओडिशा माने कोन डीजी को डिपार्टमेंट डीजी रे पुनी अलग अलग अछि डीजी रो ये एंड आईजी पुलिस आईजी रे पुनी अलग अलग जो लॉ एंड ऑर्डर आ कोन सब अछि काहा को कोन पार्टी कोन बने छै
DG and IG police all over.
ऑल ओवर सब डीजी सब आईजी डीजी दुई तीन थांती आई थिंक आईजी तो आ गुडे थांती सो ऑल ओवर कोन कोन हिची कोन कोन
Here, my lord,
ये
the
पार्टी बने
election of the branch association of 6th battalion
Habilдар Constable and Sipais Branch Association election, my lord.
এটা অর্ডার পাস হইছিল আমাদের আগ্রহ
Pardon?
এদের আগ্রহ অর্ডার পাস
No.
ফার্স্ট টাইম
First.
আউট আসছিলা ফটো another group is there I think I remember
The petitioner filed his nomination for the post of president, my lord.
অসুবিধা কোন হলা
Annexure 1 is the notification.
এই ছাড়ো তো অসুবিধা কোন হলা কোন
অসুবিধা
straight
তো-
come to the point what
Annexure 3, page 11. His nomination paper has been rejected on the ground
কোম্পানি যেটা হলা
that he has wrongly entered his date of joining in the nomination form.
फिर एज
No, he has rightly entered.
কোড কোন করিব
Your lordship may kindly see, I have
ଆପଣ ଇଏ କହିଲେ ଏବେ wrongly entered ବୋଲି କି
ସିଏ ଭୁଲରେ କହିଛନ୍ତି କାହିଁକି ନା
ସିଏ
ମୋର ଡେଟ୍ ଅଫ ଜଏନିଂ ଟା ମୁଁ ଦେଇଛି ଏଥିରେ
nomination paper date of joining କେତେ come to the nomination paper
25/1/2011.
को page
My nomination form is page 18.
page 18
Date of joining in the district, battalion or establishment. I have tick marked in the battalion.
nomination form ରେ ଆପଣ ଜଏନ୍ କଲେ କେବେ
25/1/2011.
5/1/2011 ଆପଣ କଣ କଟା ଛଟା
And
କରିଛନ୍ତି
ସେଇଟା କିଛି ନାହିଁ ସେଇଟା ତ ସେମାନେ ସପ୍ଲାଇ କରିଛନ୍ତି ନା ମତେ ସେଇଟା ସେମାନେ ସପ୍ଲାଇ
fill
କରିଛନ୍ତି
up ତ ଆପଣ କରିଛନ୍ତି ନା
ମୁଁ fill up କରି ସେମାନେ ସପ୍ଲାଇ କରିଛନ୍ତି
ସପ୍ଲାଇ କଲେ କଣ ତାଙ୍କ ଦୋଷୀ ହେଲେ
ନାଇଁ,
fill up
ନାଇଁ।
କଲା ଲୋକର କଟା ଛଟା କି fill up
25/1
ବ୍ଲାଙ୍କ ଟା ଦେଲେ
25/1/11 ଟା ହଉଛି correct.
ଲେଖିବେ ଯେ
25/1/11 ଟା ହଉଛି correct କାହିଁକି ଏ ଲର୍ଡସିପ ମେ କାଇଣ୍ଡଲି ସି ଆନେକ୍ସର
ଆପଣ
2
ଏଇ ଡେଟ୍ ଟା ଆଗରୁ ତା ପୂର୍ବରୁ ଗୋଟେ ଡେଟ୍ ଟା ଅଛି ସେଟା କୋଡେ ଯିବ
ସେଇଟା ତ କଟା ହେଇକିରି ଫିଲ୍ ଅପ୍ ହେଇଥିଲା
ସେ କଟା ହେଇକି
I have submitted ନାଇଁ I have submitted the nomination form
ସେ କଟା ହେବା ପାଇଁ ଆପଣ କୋଉଠି ସେମାନେ
ନାଇଁ ସେଥିରେ କିଛି କରିନାହାନ୍ତି ସେ କହୁଛନ୍ତି wrongly entered ମାନେ ଏଇ ଯୋଉ 25/1 ଟା wrongly enter କରିଛି
ରାଇଟ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଯୋଉ ରାଇଟ ଟା ବୋଲି କହୁଛନ୍ତି ସେଟା କୋଉଠି ଅଛି
ରାଇଟ ଟା ହଉଛି annexure 2 page 14 that has been supplied by the commandant OSAP 6 battalion. This is my
सर से डेट ऑफ जॉइनिंग टा मते देखांतु
date of joining serial number 13
13
page 14 no serial number 13 full service particulars with details showing the period of service in different grades. OSAP 8th battalion se join kala 6/5/2002 to 30/6/2009 as sipai. Then OSAP 8th battalion 1/7/2009
ठीक है डेट टा ठीक है ताले
that was 25/1/2011 to continue as assistant private till that he is continuing. So I have filled up the nomination showing the 25/1/2011 the date. But
से
they are saying
ग्राउंड रिजेक्शन कोडी करथिला
rejection annexure 3 page 16.
annexure 3
Yes,
कोन लखाइ
page 16
let's see
last part 1 paragraph.
इलेक्शन सही सालानी
ନାଇଁ election ଅଛି 5 ତାରିଖ ଅଛି last part 1 paragraph. Besides, nomination form of AD 94 Umesh Chandra Lekha, the petitioner resident candidate is found invalid due to wrongly entered date of joining in this battalion as indicated in serial number 3 of the nomination form.
serial number 3 of the nomination form
after this
just nomination form पड़ेगा
nomination form to page 18 is. After this rejection, I requested the commandant to supply the nomination form filed by me, and he supplied me under annexure 4 page 18.
Probably that creates the problem.
एक कोटा जो आपण
ନାଇଁ ସେଟା କଟା ହେଇକିରି ଫାଇଲ ହେଇଥିଲା କଟା ହେଇକି ଫାଇଲ ହେଇଛି 25/1/2011 ଲେଖା
ଆପଣ
ହେଇଛି
ବୁଝାନ୍ତିନି କି ମୁଁ କହୁଛି ପଚାର ଆପଣ ତା ପୂର୍ବରୁ କଣ ଗୋଟେ ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି ତା ଉପରେ ଲେଖିଲେ ସେଟା କଥା ହଉଛି କଟା ହେଇକି ଫାଇଲ ହେଇଥିଲା ମାନେ କଣ
ନା ଏଇଟା ସେ ସପ୍ଲାଇ କରିଛନ୍ତି ମତେ This is-
ସପ୍ଲାଇ କରା ଲେଖା ହେଇଥିଲା କିଛି
ହଁ ହଁ
କେମିତି ଆପଣ ପ୍ଲେନ ଫର୍ମ ଦେବେ ଆପଣ ଲେଖା କେମିତି ହେବ
ନାଇଁ
ସେ ଆପଣ
ଏଇଟା ଶୁଣନ୍ତୁ।
ଜର୍ନିଂ ଲେସନ ଲେଖିଦେବେ
your lordship may kindly see 7
କାଇଣ୍ଡଲି ସି ନାହିଁ ମୁଁ ଯୋଉ ଗୋଟେ ଫର୍ମ ଟେ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଦିଆ ହୁଏ ଫର୍ମ ଟେ ସବୁ ଖାନା ଖାଲି ଥାଏ ଆଉ ଏଇଟା କାଟିବାଟା ଆପଣଙ୍କ କାମ ସେମାନେ କାହିଁ କାଟିବେ
ନାଇଁ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଫିଲଅପ ହେଇଥିଲା କଟା ହେଇକି ଫିଲଅପ ହେଇଥିଲା ଅଲରେଡି
ଆପଣ ମିନିମମ୍ ସାର୍ କମନ ସେନ୍ସ ଆପ୍ଲାଏ କରନ୍ତୁ କଟା ହେଇକି ଫିଲଅପ ହେଇଥିଲା ନା କି ଭଗବାନ ଫିଲଅପ କରିଥିଲା କି ଆପଣ କଲେ ନା
ମୁଁ କରିଛି
ଆଚ୍ଛା ଫିର କେମିତି କଟା ହେଇକି ଫିଲଅପ ହେଇଥିଲା ମାନେ କଣ ଆପଣ କାଟିଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ ଫିଲଅପ କରିଛନ୍ତି ଫିଲଅପ ତ ଅଥରିଟି ଆପଣ କରିକି ଦେଇନି ଆପଣ ନିଜେ ଫିଲଅପ କଲେ ଅଥରିଟି ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ବ୍ଲାଙ୍କ ଦେଲା ଫର୍ମ ଟା
Yes.
ବ୍ଲାଙ୍କ ଫେରେ ଆପଣ ନାଁ ଲେଖିଲେ ଓଏସବି ବାଟାଲିୟନ ଲେଖିଲେ फादर नेम लिखले को पोस्ट पे कॉन्टेस्ट करछन लिखले डेट ऑफ जॉइनिंग लिखला से जगह कटा छड़ा कर देले सेति पेंशन के रिजेक्ट कर देले
সেটা আছে actually date of joining in district or battalion or establishment সেটা ভুললে পকেইতা
आज्ञा
district
भूल
তারপরে
से
battalion
कहिता भूल पकड़ आ गोटे फ्रेश टा कहि आदि फेयर रे कहि देलेनी भूल भाल करबे कोन करबेनी सब आपन के सब चलिबो
नहीं even in the rejection order he has not stated that what is my date of joining only he has stated
why should they state
wrongly entered date
why
of
should
joining
they state they verify there is wrong କରିଦେଲେ ଗଲା
25/1/2011 ଟା correct ଅଛି।
correct ଏବେ କାର୍ଡ କରେକ୍ଟ କରିଥିଲେ ତା ଆଗରୁ କି ପଛରେ କାଟିଥିବେ ଯଦି
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ। ଏଇଟା
ଗୋଟେ କାମ କର
ମୁଁ ଯେହେତୁ ମାଗିଲି
ଯୋଉଟା ଫର୍ମ ସବମିଟ ହେଇଛି ସେ ଫର୍ମ ଟା କପି ଜାଣ ଦେଖିବେ ଜଣା ପଡିବ କୋର୍ଟ କୁ ଆସିବେ ମତେ ଲାଗୁଛି ଏଠି କୋର୍ଟ କାଢିବା ପାଇଁ ବଙ୍କା
ନାଇଁ,
କରାହେଇଛି ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ ଆପଣ ମୁଁ
Annex 4 ସାଙ୍ଗରେ ଏଟା supply
ବହୁତ
କରିବେ।
ଧରିଲିଣି ସାର୍ କାଲି ଆଣ ଏଇଟା ତ କଟକ କାଲି ଆଣ land council of the state to
ହଁ, tomorrow।
get the detail of the nomination form submitted by the present petitioner ଆପଣ ସେଟା ଆଣନ୍ତୁ ଦେଖିକି ଧରା ପଡିଯିବ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ହଁ
କାଲି 2 PM
କାଲି 2 PM ରେ ଆସିବ ଆଉ ଦେଖିବା ତାପରେ ଦେଖିବା ଆଉ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଯୋଉ ଇଏ who is the chief election commissioner officer
OP number 2 commandant
huh
OP number 2 commandant come chief election officer
okay ସେ କମାଣ୍ଡାଣ୍ଟ କୁ ବି ସାଙ୍ଗରେ ଡାକେନି ହେଲା
ହୁଁ।
ଆପଣ ଧରିକି ଆସନ୍ତୁ ବୋଲି କହିଦବ ସେ will explain it better ଏତେ ଦେଖି ପଡିଯିବ ପକ୍କା ଏଟା ଉପରେ ମରା ହେଇଛି ପଛେ କୋର୍ଟ କୁ ଆସିବା ପାଇଁ ଏଟା କରାହେଇଛି ହଁ ଦେଖିବେ କାଲି ଆଉ ଯଦି ସେମିତିଆ ହେଇଥିଲା ଆପଣ
ନାଇଁ,
କ୍ଲାଏଣ୍ଟ
ସେମିତି
2 ଲକ୍ଷ ଟଙ୍କା କଷ୍ଟ କରିବେ ସେତେବେଳେ ଆଉ ମତେ ବ୍ଲେମ କରିବେନି ଆଗରୁ କହିଦେଇଛି ଆଉ ସେତେବେଳେ ୱିଡ୍ର କରିବେ ବୋଲି ୱିଡ୍ର ବି ଶୁଣାଯିବନି ପଇସା ଦେବେ ୱିଡ୍ର କରିବେ ହଁ କାଲି ନେଇକି ଆସ ହେଲା କେତେ ଏମିତି ହେଇଛି ସାର୍ ଧରୁଛୁ ଆମେ ଗୋଟେ ପରେ ଗୋଟେ
Item number 8.
8, your lordship may pray for an adjournment. In this case, your lordship is directed to file a amendment petition to the rate petition. Due to the illness of the petitioner, he is unable to come. For that reason, the amendment petition has not been filed.
so you have filed the constitutional constitutional
No, that amendment petition, with regard to amendment petition, your lordship has directed.
Board of Secondary Education
It has to
he
indicate.
made the party
Yes, your lordship. For that reason, an affidavit.
that open school
Yes, open school matter.
actually ki board of education
No,
I am on behalf of Mr. Rao
I will.
for board of
Board of Revenue. He is supposed to supply a copy to me. He has not supplied a copy.
land council for the you have filed that consolidated one
No, cost title in course of the day I am filed.
file it land council for the petitioner to file the consolidated cost title during the course of the day and serve a copy of on Mr.
SS Rao.
who is appearing on behalf of Mr. Rao, who usually appears for the Board of Secondary Education Odisha. Okay, this is the matter on Quebec. Seventh class. Huh? Next,
Item 9. Your lordship, on behalf of my senior Gopinath Mishra, your lordship, we want to permit to withdraw the case.
withdraw.
Your lordship,
What is your name?
my name is Ambika Vallabh Malik.
Ambika?
Vallabh Malik.
Ambika Vallabh Malik. Let's go. Learn concept of the petitioner. 6 to Mr. Ambika Vallabh Malik. Appearing on behalf of Mr. Gopinath Mishra. 6 to withdraw the present writ petition unconditionally. Full stop. Accordingly, next.
Your lordship,
ଆପଣଙ୍କର ୱିଥ୍ ଟା ଯାଉ ୱିଥ୍ ଟା ଆପଣଙ୍କର କିଛି ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଏ ମ୍ୟାଟର ସେ କିଛି ନାଇଁ ମୁଁ ସେୟା କହୁନି ୱିଥ୍ ଅଛି ତ କିଛି ଲିଙ୍କ କି ପଚାରୁଛି
ହଁ ଲିଙ୍କ ଅଛି ତାଙ୍କର ଫ୍ୟାମିଲି ରିଲେସନ ଅଛି ପିଟିସନର ସେ
ଆପଣ ୱିଡ୍ର କରିଦେଲେ ଆପଣ ଯାଆନ୍ତୁ
ନା ଇଏ କଲେ
ଆପଣ ଯାଆନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣ କାମ ସରିଗଲା ତାପରେ ସେ କେସ୍ ଟା ଦେଖିବା ତାପରେ ଆପଣ କେସ୍ ଟା କଣ କୁହନ୍ତୁ ଆଉ ଆର ମ୍ୟାଟର the other legal matter the represent so let it be listed on 21st just this 21st January November ହେଲା November December 21st कर दे जा
23753
हां
सेकंड नंबर ला 23753
ବୁଝିପାରିଲି
सेकंड टर्म नंबर टा 23753 हां
ହାଁ ଅଛି ଏଟା ଆମ ଲିଷ୍ଟ ନାହିଁ ଆମ ଲିଷ୍ଟ ନାହିଁ ନେକ୍ସଟ
Item number 10.
please.
10
Item 10, my lord. The last occasion, my lord directed regarding to obtain the instruction upon the
copy right
हाँ
and in course of the day I will supply the copy of the cover
and comes with the state to they submit that he would supply the and so he will supply the counter affidavit during the course of the list matter 11th
copy the nation
नहीं 11 नहीं sorry 13 तो ये आज ये न हटे बड़ कंफ्यूजन बार हो जेठो दुईटा रहले सब कंफ्यूजन पर हटा दे हां नेक्स्ट रखियो जनवरी आसीने ना
Item number 11.
11 medical authority supplied the form being counter after countersigned. I have already submitted before the
जानी नहीं 11 मेडिकल ऑफिसर सप्लाइड द काउंटर साइन मुझे किंतु बुझी नहीं कोन है बुझी
मतलब for a settlement of an insurance claim, a form is to required to be countersigned by the medical authority where I have treated.
What happened कोड कोन पाई साप कामुडिला बुडी मला कोन हला किसी कहबे नहीं
मतलब
सीधा पड़े अभी सेटलमेंट ऑफ क्लेम
ना electrocution I am became 100% different
पूरा पूरा
physically handicapped.
बोल नेशन छाड़ दे बोल कोन स्टार्टिंग पूरा आउ थरे
मतलब petitioner became physically handicapped due to electrocution.
हला नहीं ठीक हला नहीं ना case of the petitioner is what tell me आउ थरे कोन
Petitioner became physically handicapped due to electrocution. And for a settlement of the insurance claim, a form is required.
ना confusion पूरा confusion आउ थरे कोन पूरा ठीक कर कहया सेंटेंस ठीक कोन आंदे कोन भाई आपण सब गेंद्रे दोछंती आसीकरी पूरा एकदम क्लैरिटी आपण माइंड थॉट रे क्लैरिटी है ना सब क्लैरिटी आइबो एठी इज कंफ्यूजन है सब एठी भी कंफ्यूजन
नहीं कोन फॉर्म दा सन ऑलरेडी देई छै
ना इंग्लिश रे कहबे ना कोन दो
मेडिकल या फॉर्म दा देई सरानी मुटा सप्लाई करन इंश्योरेंस कंपनी
मु कह दिछि आपण को सुनंतु आई एम आर्गिंग फॉर यू द पिटिशनर he died the petitioner who is the petitioner
petitioner himself
okay yes. The petitioner is a electrocution survivor
yes
एक लाइन कहले हां तापर कोन हला कोन
मतलब he has a insurance policy
he had a insurance
that is to be settled
what scheme
no मतलब money back plan money back plan
which insurance company के
life insurance corporation
हां से पूरा कहबे ना आधा आधा फाळे फाळे कहले तापर
a form was required
insurance करतले
50,000 50,000
coverage
yes sir 50,000
केते एरे केते दोथले
प्रीमियम
सेडा सब मेन जिनसाडा कहबे ना अभ्यास करन एंदी अभ्यास कले जे ना आपण रेगुलर करजनी पूरा एंदी आखी बंद कर ठा 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 पळे आसीला कथा आते कंफ्यूजन के हो 8,884 884 anyway the premium then during the currency of the policy
yes madam
the electrocution happened
yes madam he became physically handicapped so for a settlement of this claim a form was required to be signed by the medical authority
didn't sign
already supplied I have already submitted before the LIC
tapare
now
instruction by your lordship directed me to obtain instruction from the superintendent district medical college why this has not been countersigned the form which was supplied by the
LIC
company has not been countersigned in the meantime they have already completed one representation was there
the countersign में कितने दिन लगांदी बने
ना एटा से एक्चुअली सेटा कोन थला आपण मते खाली कहथि जे नबा पाई जे रिप्रेजेंटेशन रे कोन नै छी आपण ताका रिप्रेजेंटेशन जरा पेंडिंग अछि करिके से ताको डिस्पोजल कर दी चिंता करिके ताको भी कॉपी भी फॉरवर्ड कराई
now it is pending with the insurance company
I have already submitted the form
Ujili sir but now every all enter formality is over
yes
now the question is basic question आपण केबे देले
फॉर्म देली 25/10 रे
मसिया नहीं किछि
25/10/2023
कहबे नहीं आधार कोइ दुजन छाड़ दियो 25/10 देई छथि एबे दु चार दिन वेट करिबे सीधा कोर्ट को पळे आसी
नहीं सागुरु से
अच्छा सेई जो ए जो एडा देबा पे आपण आस्तली जो
यस मिनट
सेडा देई छथि
से 16/10/2023 रे मेडिकल अथॉरिटी मते देले 25/10/2023 रे मु LIC रे सबमिट कर दिली
ओके तो आपण इंश्योरेंस के पार्टी बने छथि
ओपी नंबर 3
तो इंश्योरेंस कंपनी कोड कॉपी देंतु
ना एटा किछ नाही
आ किछ ना से सर देई देले ताको
now his grievance has already been treated
ओके
तांकर रिक्वायरमेंट
फॉर्म दे दैट कांसिडर भई गेला बुझि गेली एबे त गला सेठी कि सेमाने कंसीडर देबे आ
सर गोटे लाइन खाली LIC की टिके गोटे वर्ड लिखि देले हे जिवो सर नला उतरा से
नहीं नहीं मैं उतरा आसे चाहूनी अब
कब लाइक
your client will unnecessary
again
will come to you again you will take fee again he will बिचारा पोर में 40,000 बडो 20,000 फी दे दिथियो लाभ कोन एनु सेटा भी
ओबलाइड
लगा the land consumer state submit that the counter sign to be made by the
SCB medical
the superintendent SCB
medical authority. SC medical college.
Department of Surgery, the associate professor, Department of Surgery.
The associate professor, Department of Surgery, has filed the counter sign. Has made this counter sign, and the said has been submitted before the LIC. Upon LIC by Ashanti. So why don't you just help him? The poor man should not unnecessarily go here.
That is not the intention. LIC also now.
Okay.
Very fast.
So, Mr.
Gurudatta,
who is preparing for the LIC, is present in the court. Hence, taking advantage of his presence in the court, this court requests him to expedite the disposal of the case of the present petitioner, which is pending before the LIC. At the earliest possible, preferably within 1 month from today. According to disposal.
Okay.
Next.
Item 12.
I want to get personality record. He should not come again.
no,
Next. Next.
Item 12.
My Lordship.
12.
My Lord, in this case, the petitioner was facilitated loan amount of 37 lakh. Thereafter, he was purchased a truck, my Lord, which was faced an accident. Thereafter, my Lord, he has write a letter or to his of the authorities to give him some time to pay, my Lord. Accordingly, last time, my Lord directed to submit a copy to my senior, Mr. Kar.
allow some time. Just now I have received. You could not able to get me. 1 week after let it come, I will come up with instruction.
Okay. So you want to take instruction? Okay. Learn the concept for the LI is a bank, LIC.
State Bank of India.
State Bank. Mr. Gurudatta, 6 1 week time to take instruction to apprise the court properly regarding the status of this. List matter on 11th November. Sorry, not 11th. Again, a confusion. तुम आज ही न हटे बार सेड पड़ो स्टेट बोलते दिस हाँ गोटे बार कर बार सेड पड़ो 13 कर 14 सुनो से डिसेंबर टाको सेड लगा आज नवंबर को से तारीख कंफ्यूज तम सेंस ऑफ विजिबिलिटी नहीं की कार लगा हाँ आज सेटा को सेटिंग चेंज करो
Oblige.
The order may be urgent compliments.
Next.
Item 13.
13.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes.
That
matter.
Yes, Your Lordship.
You took instruction from the client.
He is not capable to
Not
approach.
capable. Supreme Court will actually got a legal service authority. किसी पैसा खर्च नहीं करेगी. You can go there and actually you किसी query पारी because.
No, Your Lordship can decide the annex of my Lord, last page. Your Lordship may.
DB order I should not interfere. ठीक नहीं. सेटा भी जैसे होगा सेठी होगा. हम और कुछ. How do you cause action?
No, that is arising out of a surface, Your Lordship.
Send this, help your client. Send it to the Supreme Court Legal Service Authority.
My Lord, may I pray one? That is arising out of the surface, Your Lordship, and the surface is not Your Lordship's assignment. I will file the another copy of the writ petition, Your Lordship.
Saying, sir, that's why I am not touching this because this is not my assignment. And secondly, DB order passed, DB order against you.
Your Lordship can say at least I will approach the division bench. I will file a second copy of the application.
Not.
Because this matter is arising out of the surface, Your Lordship.
Need not. You can always file there. If you move DB file kara bole mu kahi kohibi. Apna simply apna jaikri review file karna. Review karantu file. Review kahantu je nahi auction purchaser ya.
Fresh read is also maintainable. Fresh read is also maintainable.
No, it is apna review file karna. It is review ho. Review file karantu. Se apna kichi facts apna court ko jane nahanti. Kimba court kaunsi bare jani nahanti. Tasara aase janantu. Maybe.
Your Lordship adjourn this matter. I will file the copy of that.
Adjourn how can kari? Withdraw kari sida palai sida file kari. Aap kichi kaam nahi. More role kichi nahi.
No, Your Lordship may see The matter is arising out of the surface act also.
Say court karibo. Jaha karibo say court.
Then I may be permitted to file a second copy, and that will be before the approved second copy of the writ petition, because the first copy has been filed as per the.
Pending.
Yes, yes.
Going to substitute it. Second copy में बुझी पारने.
And he wants to say that it is a matter of division bench. But it is wrongly listed before your lordship.
He wants to move kochi.
It is he wants to file one second copy so that it will go to.
You should go to the division bank, file a revision there. If anything wrong is there, then you can get it rectified. And if they don't rectify, go to Supreme Court. Simple, do and that is best.
This matter can be before the division bench, your lordship. Yes, sir. Because your lordship may see the matter is arising out of the surface act.
Dispose of matter ta na.
Arising out of the surface, your lordship.
More katha बुझंतु आपण state have withdraw file a revision activity. Review petition file. Review file kala review रे see जिनसा आपण कहिबे that will be taken care of. File the review. File a review is the best solution, sir. You withdraw it. Then transfer the petitioner seeks to withdraw in order to file a review petition before the revision meeting. Hello.
Okay.
Accordingly, liberty is granted to file the review petition before the
Appropriate application.
Oh, appropriate.
Yes.
Review shall be. Appropriate. Review file.
Review or read, I think.
Review file करो sir. Review file कले आपण से जो कथा कहि नांती कोजन जोडा consider करि नांती से कथा कहिबे. And now it is, I think, before different bench they can consider also. Hello? They will consider. I'm sure they will consider. 101% sure they will consider.
Obliged.
Yes. Next.
Item 14.
14.
Sought for instruction from the State Council DO.
What? No instruction. Not consider state 6 1 week time to take instruction. November 16 Ras. Hello.
Item 15.
May I please?
15.
Here is a case matter. The petitioner was working as GRS, Grammar Rojogar Sevak. In fact, my lord, his her sister-in-law, Bhaujo, committed suicide. One affair was registered. One affair was registered against her husband. Though the present petitioner is sister-in-law, and generally, my lord, this allegation is common allegation is made against all the family members. Therefore, my lord, being a bona fide citizen, she surrendered herself, and bail was granted, but she was dismissed. So she filed one appeal before the appellate authority, and that was rejected under Annexure 14.
On the ground that you have a criminal case.
You have my.
Even for 24 hours.
Removed from the service. You lordship the
government service.
No, GRS my you
GRS is schematic.
You lordship may consider
schematic job they can remove it.
No, my lord, you lordship may consider it. Who am I? I am the sister-in-law, you lordship. I am belonging to the different.
I am not going to the criminal case.
My lord.
I am on the service part.
So let
sister-in-law.
My lord, I am not seeking any interim order, your lordship. Let the state may response to by filing counter. It will be decided on its merit.
Okay, Lord, can the state to file a reply by next date? How the regender counter karibe?
No, your lordship.
List the matter on 22nd November.
My lord. Diploma.
Next.
16.
May I please, on behalf of Mr. Sahu Milo. The
quantity quantum?
Quantity was 924 kilos Milo, but he was not apprehended at the spot Milo.
Who apprehended?
That he custody Milo since 20th August 2020 Milo.
Who do you say arrest?
While he was taken into custody for another offense, another case, Milo.
You are a history sheeter.
No. No,
ନା ନା
your lordship has granted
Sorry.
bail
ମୁଁ
where this petitioner is involved in one case, NDPS case.
ତ ମୁଁ ଗ୍ରାଣ୍ଟେଡ ବେଲ୍ କରିଥିଲି ନା ଏବେ ମୁଁ କ୍ୟାନସେଲ କରୁଛି ଯଦି କରିଥିଲି ବୋଲି
No,
ଆପଣ ଇଏ
history setter na. This case,
ସାତଟା କେସ୍ ଯାହାର ଅଛି ସେ ଏକଦମ ବଢିଆ ସନ୍ତ ମହାତ୍ମା ତ ଆଉ
NDPS case है गोटे.
ତ ବାକି କେସ୍ କ୍ରାଇମ କ୍ରିମିନାଲ ତ କ୍ରିମିନାଲ ଆଉ
ନା,
ସେ ଏନଡିପିଏସ୍ କେସ୍ ହଉ ଯେ କେସ୍
No, no, this case milord on basis
Sir, I
of
am no sympathy for the history seater. First time ଯଦି କରିଥାନ୍ତା ମୁଁ ଏବେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ମୁଁ first quantity ପଚାରେ.
no, another
it
lordship
doesn't-
has considered another
No,
case.
I may have considered that was my mistake. Okay, now
No, no,
I'm rectifying my
I
mistake.
can't.
I am rectifying my mistake.
Oh, Lord. One, your lordship is taking into consideration of delay of trial milord.
ସେଟା ମୁଁ ସେଟା ନେବି ଯେ ସେଟା କାହା ପାଇଁ ଯୋଉମାନେ ଥରେ ଭୁଲ କରିଦେଲେ ବାଇ ମିଷ୍ଟେକ୍ ଭୁଲଟେ ହେଇଗଲା ତାଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ ନଟ୍ ଏ ପର୍ସନ ରେଗୁଲାରଲି ଯେ ଭୁଲ କରି ଚାଲିଥିବ
Your lordship
ଇ ହାର୍ଡ ଏଣ୍ଡ କ୍ରିମିନାଲ ନଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ
recent part days milord, your lordship granted.
that was my mistake. I'm human to err is human. Any person should have the chance to rectify.
No, yeah,
I am rectifying. What is wrong?
I can't post.
ମୁଁ ଭୁଲ କରେନି ଆପଣ ଭୁଲ କରିବେ ମୁଁ ଭୁଲ
Yeah, yes, yes.
ମୁଁ ଭୁଲ କରିଥିଲି
Human error.
ଆଉ ବେଲ୍ ଗ୍ରାଣ୍ଟ କରି ମୁଁ ଭୁଲ କରିଥିଲି
No, no, that is not. Everybody's human error. That is.
That's
I am not.
now I become human totally. HUMANE. ଆଗରୁ N ଥିଲା ଏବେ E ଟା ଯୋଡ଼ି ଦେଲି. Go and find out the meaning human and human. HUMAN and HUMANE. These are different of find for you. Now I am human. At that time I was human. Allah. Okay. So let me
One week after Mr. Sahu let me.
ଆଉ one week final.
ସେ ସାହୁଙ୍କର ମୋ ତାଙ୍କ
ଆପଣ କେସ୍ ଆପିୟର କଲେ ସାହୁ ପାଇଁ ଆର୍ଗ୍ୟୁ କାଇଁ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ତାହେଲେ ଆପଣ ଟାଇମ ମାଗିଲେନି ତ ଆପଣ ଆର୍ଗ୍ୟୁ ଆଇ ଏମ୍ ଆର୍ଗ୍ୟୁଇଂ ଅନ୍ ବିହାଫ୍ ଅଫ ସାହୁ ବୋଲି କହିଲେ ଆର୍ଗ୍ୟୁମେଣ୍ଟ କଲା ପରେ ଆଉ ସାହୁ ପାଣିଗ୍ରାହୀ ମିଶ୍ର କିଛି ଦେଖାଯିବନି
ନା
ଆର୍ଗ୍ୟୁମେଣ୍ଟ କରି ସାରିଲେ ମ୍ୟାଟର
ନେକ୍ସଟ ଟୁ
ରିଜେକ୍ଟେଡ ସରି ସାର୍
ନେକ୍ସଟ ଟୁ କେସ୍ ମିଲ
ନାଇଁ କେସ୍ ଏଇଟା 7 number of cases.
No, no, not 7 number cases.
Kedra?
Yes, 7. 2 numbers of cases.
Sir,
I will file affidavit.
the state logo na. Land council states, Mr. Blue submit that there are 7 number of cases of criminal cases against the present petitioner pending before different courts.
Item 17.
17.
Then 16 right now, another 2 cases that is in respect of 2 accused, but they have no criminal antecedent.
17 is your case. Now I can say.
Yes, yes. 17.
Edre? Edre कौन अपना?
ना NDPS नहीं होगा.
NDPS नहीं 20B फिर?
आगे. ना नहीं. Present case है NDPS. Another case is that is 399 case. He has been granted bail in that case.
अरे कौन मैटर आपण कहउछ दी
17 मिलो
17 ने एनडीपीएस त देखौची
एनडीपीएस आया
आ फिर नाही बोली काई कहले
ना ना मु कहउछ जे सी कहउछ एंटीसीडेंट कथा
रोज आपण फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन सरन आपण एटा 20 बी एनडीपीएस केस एटा
आया
एटा केते क्वांटिटी
for same quantity but he was not apprehended at the spot मिलो he has been
यार भी
नहीं आ गोटे अछि 390
नंबर केस अयोध्या ना अयोध्या मध्ये एब्सकॉन्ड करियो 3 वर्ष जाबे
अरे यार he was not at the spot मिलो that's why मिलो initially preliminary charge sheet was filed he has not been named so
आउट के जाऊ से रोटी के आगे दिन हला ओके रिजेक्टेड नो केस नो
नहीं रिजेक्ट है
लाइव नहीं रिजेक्टेड आउट फाइल
नहीं यार नारे किछि नहीं है
तो नारे किछि नहीं तो एंती खाली खाली कर देले
नहीं similarly situated person your lordship has granted at that I have annexed मिलो annexed 3 series
यार नारे किछि नहीं
नहीं another case मिलो in recent past days also your lordship
ओ recent past ले जाबो पुराना ना होनी
your lordship has granted
The FIR was logged on 27 July 2020. And after 3 years, the victim was arrested on 10 September 2020. And he committed to criminal act.
No, sorry. The petitioner was absconded. Eta ki?
Eta I say Manu Duria that is also
co-accused na?
Co-accused, he is having number of criminal antecedents. He is also arrested in the year 2022 Milo.
Manudurya Sen.
Again.
Letting examine. Land Conservation State to examine the case of Manu Duria, who has been granted bail by this court with a APL number 4365 of 2023. List the matter Monday. Check करें चला पता.
Again. See previous case का भी से आएगा.
देखिए.
ना 16 item 16 also.
7 cases दिया.
तो आर भी again से
से छाड़ दिया है 50 next 18
Item 18.
18 same.
I will check with that. Next.
Item 19.
19
I prefer 2 weeks time to file regender.
Is कौन अच्छी regender counter में तो कम
दरकार.
What is the case about?
But here the petitioner challenged the order of the banking ombudsman.
Banking ombudsman रे तबे केते counter regender file करियो.
ସେଥିରେ ଦରକାର ସେଟା
କିଛି ଦରକାର ନାହିଁ. ଆପଣ argue କରନ୍ତୁ.
I will file a short regender within a.
Regender is not a right. Regender is not your right.
Yes.
Counter is the right.
Yes. Counter is
regender court allows court चाइना बंद भी करी पारी.
I am for the bank, my lord.
Yes.
Pardon, my lord. I am for the bank. You will
2 weeks time only.
pass over, my lord.
नहीं पासवर्ड कहीं आपण अछन
पासवर्ड
आपण अछन पर एबे
के प्रॉब्लम अछि
कोन प्रॉब्लम आ को कोर्ट केस थिबो प्रॉब्लम कोन
regender पे 2 weeks
आ को कोर्ट केस थिबो आपण सीधा तो कहबे प्रॉब्लम
sir
I have a court our case another case other court is important for you not this court okay so hence I want
not important
I want to adjourn it for 20th December जान जो मन को अलगा कोर्ट इज इंपोर्टेंट से कोर्ट को जान सब कोर्ट इज इंपोर्टेंट जो कोर्ट मैटर तो सेट करियो आ ए कोर्ट से कोर्ट अछि बोली नेक्स्ट
Item 20.
sorry man
20
May I please, your lordship? My lords, as per your lordship's direction and suggestion of my learned senior, I have filed a review petition against that my lord's rehabilitation assistance before vacation, my lords. IA was filed to recall that order, and my lords, due to technical difficulties, the lordship directed me to file a review petition.
What is the review petition?
My lords, kindly have a glance to page number.
Page number छाड़न तो अपन कौन है इतला केस स्टडी कौन?
My lords. My lords, 2004 रे, the father of the petitioner died in service.
RS scheme.
RS scheme, my lords. In 2005, my lords, I applied under the RS scheme within time limit.
Where is my order?
Annexure 1. Page number 12. The entire issue in this case was that, my lords, that whether, because I have got married, whether I can be denied appointment. Now, my lords, the previous council inadvertently or, my lords, whatever reason, have submitted that as the petitioner has married in the meantime, the matter has become infructuous. Means जो जिनसे issue थिला my lords से case रे सही ground रे my lords infructuous हे जेची case टा. Since it is submitted that the petitioner has already got married, her grievance with respect to rehabilitation assistance scheme cannot be considered. Hence, the matter has become infructuous. So, my lords, regarding that concern, my lords,
What does the law say? Married daughter will get?
Definitely, my lords. Regarding that, your lordship's judgment is there.
Judgment छाड़न तो law कौन होच? अपना घरे आउ के नहीं ये की consider कराए पर छाता.
Sitable, my lords, I have, my lords, after death of my father, there were 8 legal heirs.
8 legal heirs से के ना थे?
No, my lords. As per the law, my lords, in 2000.
I'm asking during that period, your father died?
Father.
Mother was not educated?
She is not, my lords, educated that much. I was educated.
You are the eldest daughter?
I was not the eldest. I was one of the youngest. Means tall means Jion ka bitru sabdu youngest.
Who are the other people who are eligible but they didn't apply and this lady applied?
I'm telling that.
Is the death के
2000, my lords, 5. Date sheet.
What is your age now?
43 years, my lords, right now.
43. What are the posts you are holding?
What are the?
What are the posts you are holding, the deceased?
My lords, PET teacher. He was a teacher.
PET teacher.
PET in CRS High School, Tihidi, District Bhadrak.
Granted school
Yes, my lords.
or block grant?
No, my lord, for granting at school.
But PET teacher, the PET teacher, they will post.
My lord, obviously, Tadu
Teacher requires training. Na?
group.
Group team post. Why don't you consider while marriage will be easy?
Lordship, regarding
But at
this.
that time, somebody tells you there is marriage. It was told by some council. We are not preparing at the time.
Pardon, my lords.
How did you
Yes, my lords.
It is submitted that the petitioner has already got married.
Exactly.
Pass kar deli.
But actually, prayer is एटा थिला कि मु जेहेतु मैरिड करी जाईची मते दउ नांती बोली मु आस्तिले कोर्ट को तो से ग्राउंड ता केमिति हेई परबो इनफ्रक्चुअस पय आउ किछि ग्राउंड हेई था नहीं था मु तो आसीची सहित पेंगा.
Okay.
So it's totally means this argument is totally alien to the prayer. Lordship, regarding that, I'm clarifying what has happened. Thereafter, my lords, I filed an IA for recall. My lords, my lords, in the just my lords, vacation Purburu, lordship, my lords, my senior also. Immediately after my lordship directed me on. Date, my lords.
Order was passed on 11 July. Review within 1 month.
Review Purburu
should have been filed within 1 month from the date of passing of the order.
My lords, regarding that, I filed review, my lords, just before vacation on 20 on vacation 19 or 17.
Get over the limitation part.
Limitation regarding limitation, my lords, age order to pass 11th of July 2022. Regarding this, my lords, my client was not conveyed.
She not confident mu kon kare our lawyer ko kahibe na our lawyer ke
previous lawyer same problem dekho my lords previous lawyer ede boda
mu kon kari previous lawyer na kare that is your problem. Why should the court?
But my lords, the client should not be a petitioner should not be my lords suffer due to the lacuna of the lawyer, my lords. In this clearly visible. But my lords, it's a clear visible lacuna.
So visible lacuna the review file kar bhi ki mana gala.
But my lord said as a convey hella to nahi pending achi best to hone wale. This is actually practical situation, my lords.
Practical situation that you should have immediately come.
My lords, how jo jana my lords and good things सब होची. My lords अपन देखो
जो केस में खराब है वो lawyer को ये करते ला.
नहीं my lords.
सब lawyer खराब
ना ना lawyers खराब कथा नहीं my lords. इतरे जो तू visible अच्छे मुझको होची. जो ते इतरे visible ना था ना मुझको ही ना था इनसे point because I'm myself a lawyer. It is visible अच्छी. जो ते lawyer file करूची.
Doubt नहीं not lawyer.
जदि मतलब प्रेयर करूचंती पिटिशन रे कि मु मैरिज हे जाइची बोली मते दउ नांती तो हाउ कैन आई सबमिट दैट द मैटर हैज बिकम इनफ्रुक्चुअस बिकॉज़ माय क्लाइंट हैज गॉट मैरिड मींस किछि यार सेंस ही नहीं कथा रो I will file my lords regarding
file करंतु कोन पई हला सब कथा लेखंतु डिले यदि मो कन्विंस हेबी डिले कंडोन हबो देन हबो न
defect my lords से जो certified copy टा जोड़ा अछि
whatever defects is pointed out
certified copy my lords file करा
whatever defects you don't tell me go and rectify the defect there at the registry remove the defect
my lords here ही कहूची मतलब 27
दरकार नहीं registry जाइए defect remove करंतु this is not the place to remove the defects. Go and remove the defect.
Lordship kindly exempt me regarding filing of certified copy because mu apply कलेनी 4 months of अपन copy मिली नहीं. My lords, this is my receipt. I have the receipt, but till date. 27/7. 23, my lords. Yesterday only, my lords, I was, my lords, after
file an exemption application also.
Yeah, exactly.
You just take it now.
You can keep. I have.
Next. Next.
Item 21.
Obliged, my
21.
lords.
Matters.
Who comply the my views are companies are
Sir, compensation for what?
for my one of my eyes are damaged to poisonous insect bite.
Poisonous insect.
Insect bite coming from my hotel to my residence at night about when and I'm partner.
So, that you want what? You have insurance policy.
Insurance policy. Jonathan Gramina personal accident insurance policy by Mr. 165.
Kete tangara?
5 lakhs.
50?
5
Oh, sir, 5 lakh.
For 10 years now. That starts from 2298 to 2008.
So, that insurance also cover this sort of.
Within 2000, in the year to 182,000 matter. 182,000 accident happened matter. My age was
2000.
I
2000.
I ran all the documents.
So, आपण apply केवे कले?
Before home.
182,000 accident हला.
Immediately thereafter.
Immediately apply कले. केवे कले?
There was no direct. I will send it to the application to the company. The insurance company.
Sir, application रे थोड़ी हुई. In the application रे हला application पढ़े थे आपण ये नहीं हुई.
They've never.
अरे claim form था ऐसे form रे detail देवा को पड़ेगा.
They've never responded.
Sir, application रे कहीं देवे respond?
No. Claim form दे.
Sir, claim form रे fill up करिबे, कौन document दरकार सबूत देबे, then only that is responded.
Plain application has given.
Plain application तो सुनिबे नहीं सेमाने sir, कितना कहिबी?
Claim form.
यार जो procedure सेती procedure ना हो.
But I asked them to give a claim form. The claim form there. I mean,
केम दी claim form देबे नहीं, नहीं लगा था कुछ.
therefore I went and applied.
Claim form कहीं देबे नहीं?
That is the allegation, sir.
केम दे, आपण 2000 apply कले जाए पाई ना दी. Something fishy, sir. Something fishy, I'm saying. Fishy, आपण बहुत जिनसे मिछ कहउची. बिल्कुल मिछ, कंचा मिछ कहउची. कहउची बरे मिछ. फॉर्म मागिली देलेनी ए कोड गुड हबो. जे कोनसी इंश्योरेंस ऑफिस को जिबे फैमिली संग दिया हबो. 2000 मसियारू आपण एक्सीडेंट हला फ्लैग हे गेले जे क्लेम मिलिलानी. बिल्कुल आपण सफरिंग बिकॉज़ ऑफ योर कंडक्ट. आपण ये अप्लाई कर एप्लीकेशन गोटे लेखिक दे देला आपण को क्लेम दे देबे से माने.
ई सब देखि देली.
एडे देखि देले एठी देखले कोन हबो? से ऑफिस से देले से ना.
से ऑफिस दे देखि देली जाय. ए सब एनेक्स को देखि जाय. एनेक्स से हो.
एनेक्स सेमति कला दियन दिन सर केते तर कहबी. गोटे फॉर्म थाए से फॉर्म रे फिल अप करके एवरीथिंग हैज टू बी गिवन. देन ओनली दे विल कंसीडर. व्हाट गाइड मी 23 वर्ष परे.
Still I'm suffering while I'm going.
He'll suffer na. जानी बनी से suffer करे.
I'm not cured married. I'm undergoing treatment till now.
आपण ने जानले के बेटा आपण को क्लाइंट आपण भेटला का
ए 2003 फाइल बनेगा
ए कोर्ट 2003 फाइल में
सर and it was fixed for
just
on 14 May notice was issued the insurance company on May
आपण 2023 रे फाइल पे 2003 गुड गेल
on 15
आपण 2000 के 2000 केस और 2000 डिस्मिस हो गया इन डिफॉल्ट हां
और 15/7/2014 में notice was issued to the insurance company issue notice to the
तापरे आ मैटर आसिला नि तापरे
तापरे the company has to give so-called malware. Without giving so-called malware, the company
कहा को सो को दबो ठीक सो को दबो का
insurance company
हां
insurance company
सो कोच कोन पई
you have to give his reply malware after receiving notice.
2000 मसिया आपण फाइल टी के 2000 करथिले
हां 2000 करथिले एटा मु जानि पाले सर एटा in the month of September, I filed a memo matter. Before this one, then I know that.
Okay, CLMP restored.
It is a
your application is restored, sir. How come आपण सब भूल करबे हमें सब will bear the brunt.
Sir, après moi I applied for copy.
2000 मसिया रे बसी एबे हटा सेत्री भी अपियर करनाती मेट्रो उठला हां My application limitation
my knowledge came matter.
Your knowledge doesn't matter, sir, to us. If you will merely know something after many years, then your knowledge, what is your knowledge?
2 weeks after.
If you have a case and you don't have knowledge, then what can I can't have any tonic for your knowledge. Amo pagre knowledge tonic bitarana kara honi. Is to korthali case sincerely karibe ki kon karbe.
2 weeks
Chhado. Apna file karantu ago. Delay application
file koribe. Some time 1 week or 5 days.
If 2 weeks time lang 6th December lang 6th December कोण आहे जान्छन् त
6 December
either case भला हो नले भांगी दियो
सर
next
22.
Next
Item 22.
No, 22, 23 both matter withdraw. 22, 23 both matter for withdrawal.
withdrawal
Yes,
egala kamo
complied.
Wow. Land council with the petitioners seeks to withdraw 22 as the ground set out in the petition has already been complied. Next.
Item 24.
24. 24.
It's not showing in the board, my lord. Mine is 25. It's not showing in the board. That's why people are thinking 20 is going on.
Yours is?
Mine is 25.
25.
24.
24 kids. 24 non-appeals. Non-appeals. 14th December. 25.
This is the one, my lord, we are trying to conciliate. My learned friend indicated to me that unfortunately, because through this vacation, I wasn't here myself, my lord. So we are thinking of meeting tonight.
So you answer what time?
And trying to work out something. If it is possible, then otherwise we'll get the matter heard.
Should I put in the next fix for next week or week thereafter?
Week thereafter is fine.
Which should be good next week?
Whichever date. Whatever is
Next week. Next week.
Next week.
Or week thereafter.
Week thereafter is all right, my lord.
15 got this.
Yes.
November 15. 2 p.m.
In fact, we expect it to be.
Oh, अच्छा. 16 करें?
Oh, 16 करो.
16. I would have better fix it. 2 p.m.
16. Thursday.
2 p.m. 6. Next.
26.
So high low.
16. Next.
Convicted for 2 years, man. 2 years conviction, man.
Wow.
Under section 3,
Conviction for what?
324, man. My lord, there is a dispute between the construction of a road work, man.
Road work.
Road work. And
you are you
co-villager,
I
man.
mean, you disturbed,
Yes,
impeded.
yes, sir.
How?
My lord, both are take the work on contract, my lord. Sorry, my lord, the injured, my lord. Injured take the work of contract, and on the poor work, there is a dispute between the parties. And
Who are you?
I am a co-villager, man.
So so your your headache started when there is poor work.
Yes, man.
You are a benevolent villager.
Then, my lord,
Chanda Delani.
that is the
Chanda मांगी तो देना
say
contractor को सब चंदा मांगते गाँव पूजा करिवु
Right.
पूजी करिवु एंदी कि से कॉन्ट्रैक्टर चांदा न होला तासे जड़
उधर गलत है।
एई तो
Then सब एका माने को विलेजर कॉन्ट्रैक्टर नॉट आउटसाइडर
अल्ला
But,
को बोले से पैसा मांगी तू से देला तू मार झड़ा
नहीं।
तापरे
तो ये ना नहीं असल्ट करना छुरी
छुरी रे
नहीं 324 रे कन्विक्शन
अब ठीक है जी कन्विक्शन कोन हो
2 years मतलब that is 2 years और फाइन होची
फाइन केते
ना नहीं मतलब that is only conviction for 2 years madam
no fine
no fine
only 2 years
madam
you have been there in custody
no madam
you not जानतु मु किसी करूनी एडमिट करछि
आया डिले अछि
डिले केते
डिले 4 years अछि
सॉरी डिले कान 4 year डिले कान
मतलब आई विल सरेंडर मतलब योर लॉर्डशिप में हार्ड
सरेंडर करतु जा करंतु काई आपण 4 वर्ष पर काई सुकु
Labor-
आपण तो एंटी इलिटरेट लोग नहंती
यस लेबर क्लास पीपल
लेबर क्लास एते भाले
सब बाहर को पळौचंदी काम करिया को गंजाम मतलब बिलोंग
4 वर्ष डिले केते
से
कंट्रोल
बाहर जाके रहउतरे तापर आगे 2 वर्ष कोरोना पीरियड
आपण ये आपण जदा कन्विक्शन हला आपण जाने
ना अब आप
आपण साक्षी
मतलब practical difficulty मैंने once they got the bail from the appellate court they are saying believing that they
practical
no,
difficulty cannot
no, they are thinking they are
system
no,
sir
my lord your
हाँ,
lordship is right
आपण
they are thinking my lord that
कोडी
no no
बाबू एंती एक्सप्लेनेशन रे सुना
no no my humble submission मतलब they are thinking they are acquitted more
failure client to first surrender then we'll see
Right.
first let him surrender
Right.
go inside
Right.
okay this petitioner is directed to take instruction as to whether is the petitioner has surrendered or not
no
आपण surrender करला
पर
पर
yes no
and if he is not surrender he is directed to surrender
Right.
4th
yes
list the matter on December 20th हला
December
तापर एडमिट करिवि कोन करिवि
my lord
तापर आपनकर डिले एप्लीकेशन फाइल करछथि
फाइल कुछ
और डिले कथा बुझा
your lordship fixed to
एबे आगो फर्स्ट प्री कंडीशन
हाँ I will surrender
हां सरेंडर कला पर
मतलब के when my lord नहीं your
20th
lordship
डिसेंबर
मतलब
20th डिसेंबर लागिव नेक्स्ट सेतेबेला मु कंडन करबी न करबी
by
डिसाइड
yes sir your
आगो
lord
भीतर पसुसी
आगे
नले से पवंदी
नहीं नहीं sir, your lordship is right मैं
जदि
pray
पसिबो ताला मु चिंता करबी कंडन करबी कि न करबी
face I pray 13 1 week before 13 20 your lordship 13
13
my oh lord
first let him surrender
my lord
surrender within 3 working days from today
but see work I have to communicate
कोन
मतलब
कोडी अछंती कि
एटा से जी देबे तांग मोबाइल ठीक रे लाग लागुनी आगे सेटा कंध एरिया है
जी उदयगिरी मोबाइल काय
सेटा नक्सल एरिया आगे संध्याळे बंद
I was administrative judge of that district.
ना
sir. I
आपण
know
कोरापुट
everything. Don't say.
कोरापुट रे ए पटेटा फुलवाणी कोन
ଦେଖିନି ଆଉ ସେ ଗାଁରେ ମୁଁ 4-5 ଦିନ ରହିଛି ଆଉ କଥା କହୁନି
ଏ ଟିକେ
ମୋବାଇଲ ଲାଗିବନି ସବୁଠୁ ବଢିଆ ବେଷ୍ଟ ମୋବାଇଲ ନେଟୱାର୍କ ହଉଛି ମାୟ ମାନଙ୍କର ଜାଣିନ ମାଉ ମୋବାଇଲ ତାଙ୍କର ନେଟୱାର୍କ ସବୁଠୁ ଷ୍ଟ୍ରଙ୍ଗ
well I pray 7 days 7
ଓକେ within a week within a week
my
ଆଗ ସରେଣ୍ଡର ହେଲା ତାପରେ ଦେଖିବା next
Item 27.
My lord, may I plead the lordship? Revision against conviction, there is a defect, my lord. One is good ground, my lord. I undertake to remove my lord.
good ground
That good ground I have not punishment. That is the defect.
that council petition to remove the defects within 1 week no this matter
My lord, within 1 day, my lord, by tomorrow I will remove my lord. You will say
I am giving you 1 week sir you tomorrow day after to you I am granting you 1 week surrender, remove the defects within 1 week hala
my lord.
I'll list the matter on 9th next
28.
28
Fortunately, my lord, I think there is a noting that the report hasn't come.
which report
My
ଦେଇନାହାନ୍ତି ଆଉ ଥରେ ରିମାଇଣ୍ଡ କରନ୍ତୁ
just to
land council of the state to remind send a reminder letter to the Gujarat board of secondary education
just to further in fact
no. Gujarat board of secondary education list the matter on December 11 6th December 5th December
टिके कहिबी सर
देखा कहले भी किछ असुविधा अछि
आसु से आसु
मत टिके कोन कहिबी त अलाउ करंतु कोन
नहीं problem. I am not on that.
असुविधा किछि नै मु कहि भी माने
अनफॉर्चुनेट सर नहीं अनफॉर्चुनेट कहूनी मो मु कहूची ता जे ब्रीफिंग काउंसिल रो माने इनफैक्ट दे वांटेड टू एक्ट आई वाज बाय चांस हियर
सर मु कोन कहू टिके सुनतु सर काइंडली प्लीज सर कोन कहू टिके सुनतु माने
ओके
सर कॉल करियो
कोंतु मु कहली बरा कोंतु मु त सुने
लास्ट ऑर्डर टा टिके देखंतु
लास्ट ऑर्डर मु किछि देखिबिनी
अच्छा लास्ट ऑर्डर रे आपण कहितिले मु खाली कहि दिए सेठी
नुवा कथा कहि
हां नुवा कथा से जहा कहउचंती गुजरात बोर्ड आपण कहितिले सब सर्टिफिकेट वेरीफाई करिया पे तो सब सर्टिफिकेट रिपोर्ट आसीओ व्हाई नेसेसरली गुजरात बोर्ड
गुजरात
से पुणी आउथरे टाइम नेबे सेते आउथरे टाइम नेबे हां हां
बहुत नहीं
मु सेया कहउतली आगे
अदर बोर्ड विच इज इश्यूड द सर्टिफिकेट लेके देखो
यस आपण सब कहितले एकाथरे सब सरीबो
हां कर दे
सेतब सेती मु कहउ चाहू
आई एम ग्रांटिंग टिल 5th December
राइट सर
आप यू जस्ट फॉलो इट ना
सर
इस काउंसिल सर आप फॉलो इट करिवे ना एंती बजर दारू पड़ देबे केंदी हो हैव अ डायरी सर हैव अ डायरी एंती इंपोर्टेंट केस डायरी नोट कर देबे लोकर नंबर रखिबे आ मजरे मजरे फोन टिके कर दो अपन निजे न कर अपन क्लर्क
प्रभु मु जानि छी मु कोन कहउतली सुनले त तेनु
हाउ यू हैव टू फॉलो इट
किछ असुविधा
ओके
ऑपरेशन
ठीक है नेक्स्ट
हो सर
29
नेक्स्ट 29
29, Your Lordship, on behalf of Tanmay Mishra for OP 3 and 4, the brief has been transferred, so name of Tanmay Mishra and Associates be deleted.
That transfer the what is your name?
Rupam Mishra.
Rupam Mishra. On behalf of Tanmay Mishra, the brief has been transferred to the bank, and the name has been deleted from the call list. This is the matter after.
Sir,
the new council is upon new council.
No, sir. I'm for the
The
petition.
new council is appointed by the petition. The restrict to verify if any councillor is engaged. December, January, December.
नहीं सर सर
15 December.
सर टिके आगुरु आसु सर बहुत सफर कले
से लोकड़ा नाइलो काहे
नहीं नहीं सर से माने सर
से कोन से लोकड़ा आइले तो से आर्गु करे लोकड़ा लॉटे दरकार ना आपण कथा हे जानन तो काहे गुडे लगी
वो सर यूनिवर्सिटी का को आपण करियो सर
का यूनिवर्सिटी के केस
हां सर
पिटिशनर पर आइडा अच्छा ये बरमपुर
वो सर पिटिशनर काउंसिल सर
पैनल लेके
हां सर आरो अछन सर मु सही कहत सर
गुडे काम जे भी हो in the meantime, Learner Council of the State, Mr. Mahapatra, is directed to find out who is the council for the Burnpur University and intimate him that somebody should take up the.
And next week, sir. Sir, next week.
Take care one to next week. Time like you, car to the best.
Sir, number of panel is option. Sir,
सबरे हवा सब ना से panel lawyer थिला भी से केस ता नबो से कोन केस रे बुझिबो तांगा संगे मीटिंग करिवो तांगे टाइम टिके देबे ना
सर टिके नवंबर ओडे डेट को
डिसेंबर आसीबो नवंबर चांस नहीं
सर एक्चुअली मैं छुट्टी हे जिवो सर
छुट्टी हला कोन हला छुट्टी हला क्लोज बंद हेला सब दिन पई छुट्टी त आपण हाई कोर्ट भी हो ना
आज 1 तारिख सर नवंबर
हाई कोर्ट भी हो तांगा पीरियड छुट्टी न
सर ओडे नवंबर रे आसु सर
नहीं नवंबर नहीं डिसेंबर आसी नवंबर आसी
सर ओडे आसु सर
असना लोग
सर माने ना नहीं सर मु सर ऑलरेडी सर
से बुझला पर से फिर केस प्रेजेंट
सर ग्रुप डी एम्प्लॉय गुडा को रेगुलराइजेशन आपण सर तांको भी ऑलरेडी गवर्नमेंट को कहिथिले से सर ई करे ठीक ना ना को कहि
नथिंग डूइंग नो फर्दर आर्गुमेंट आई हैव पुट द डेट 15 नेक्स्ट जदी करबे नाले सीधा पड़िथो किछ करबे मु आवन काम इजी करे पे ताको रिक्वेस्ट करछि लगेला आपण से अधिक आर्गुमेंट जो दरकार नै से दरकार दिन सर आर्गु करबिनी जो मैटर रे आर्गुमेंट दरकार से आर्गु करबिनी एई जिंस गुड आर्गु कर नेक्स्ट
item number 30
is to a similar. In this case, noting is that the counter not reached, but I received the counter yesterday 4 p.m.
So you want to file the rejoinder. So 2 weeks time granted. Next, list the matter on 7th December.
Along with WPC 2 was 481 by 2020.
ए लागि छी आजी
हां एटा ता संगे सेई जा एब्सेंट पीरियड जोटा कहउचंदी सेटा मु केस करछि सैलरी पई
से नंबरटा लिखि दे
WPC 21481 by 2020.
21481 by 2020.
Date mail.
Date 23rd. 23rd.
Oblige.
Next.
31.
31.
Yes. Well, this is a matter. Here the petitioner was working as a grammar saver, has filed this order of termination that is issued on annexure 4 by the collector. Thereafter, he preferred appeal and appeal is confirmed by the last time also directed.
Preferred appeal?
He preferred the petitioner, he preferred appeal before the director. He has confirmed by the director. The order of the collector has been confirmed.
Okay.
Last time also already had this matter. Now directed the state council to file a reply with regard to the guidelines. Guidelines says that the basic on which the para 4 and 5 of the termination letter, the termination letter basic on which they has been terminated, the guidelines was nothing. There is nothing has mentioned that guidelines. These points are applicable to the case. Last time I can see the that is termination letter, annexure 4. Annexure 4, page 14.
It is not termination letter, it is show cause letter, sir. So show cause letter can't be terminated.
Nice, sir. Discharge letter, sir.
Reply dele apna 3 re. And annexure 4 ta.
Okay, sir. 4 and 5 no.
Annexure 4.
Yeah, annexure 4 is a page para 5 and 6 no. From the reply Sri Samantarai and the review of this progress under RH scheme, it is observed that he has failed to improve in his proper performance under rural housing scheme through he has been given sufficient opportunity to improve. It is also observed that Hormone has achieved only 18 houses out of 168 houses targeted for completion of the Panigrahi GP, which is only 12% of the annual target. All these points are that he has to achieve the target. Last time see that I have last time I saw the guidelines. The guidelines never says that he has to achieve this. May read the guidelines, bro. Even the act and the guideline, nothing says that the work of the ground sevak service.
Where is the guideline?
Yes, Lord.
Guideline.
Yes.
Guideline file करेगा था ना, file को ना file करेगा ना.
Sorry.
Yes. Code of paragraph.
Sir, all to that is the.
एटा जो अपन cover है सेटा को paragraph.
Sir, 4 and 5. 4 is 5 and 6. 6 sir कोई सा guideline टा कोई सा.
Guideline is job chart.
हाँ, that is the first sir ता पूर्व page टा देखो sir. ये ऊपर बेस करी सब ता काम टा हुए.
Job chart is guideline.
नहीं sir नहीं.
यार कौन करीबे माने सेही जिनसे.
Exact कौन करीबे.
Different.
Yes. नहीं sir.
This is job chart.
हाँ, job chart.
JOBCHART.
Job chart. से कौन तांका काम. What is the work of the job ग्राम सेवक? That has been quoted there. Last one is yes, Lord. सर कॉपी टा सर गोटे कॉपी
तो कंजूसी करियो गोटे कॉपी भी देबेरी कोर्ट को खाली आपण दियन
सर पढि दे सर गोटे पढि दे सर सब
कोर्ट को देबे लिख दे आप आर पार्टी तो भूली जांदु कोर्ट को दोना दे आपण आर पार्टी को देवाडा छाडी दे
का देथरा को ताऊ
की कल्चर को जानि पर sir really assisting the court or troubling the court I don't know.
Sorry Lord, I am extremely sorry Lord, I that. But may I read Lord from the
read it.
Yes Lord.
And confirm it to that 4 and 5 as you are.
Yes. So Lord, that is the ग्राम सेवकଙ୍କର ଦାୟିତ୍ୱ କର୍ତ୍ତବ୍ୟ. That is basic on that the termination order passed.
ଆପଣ ତାଙ୍କର କର୍ତ୍ତବ୍ୟଟା କଣ କଣ?
Yes sir 1 sir ମୁଁ ପଢୁଛି sir 1 ପଢୁଛି. ପ୍ରତ୍ୟେକ ସରକାରୀ କାର୍ଯ୍ୟ ଦିବସରେ ସମ୍ପୃକ୍ତ ଗ୍ରାମ ପଞ୍ଚାୟତର କାର୍ଯ୍ୟାଳୟ ଖୋଲାଖୋଲି ଉପସ୍ଥିତ ରଖିବେ. sir ଗଲା sir. Yes sir that sir କିଛି sir ନାହିଁ କୌଣସି
ପଏଣ୍ଟ ରେ କୋଡା ଅଛି
କିଛି ନାହିଁ sir. That Lord sir
ପଢନ୍ତୁ ନା.
sir yes sir 2 sir ପଢୁଛି. ଗ୍ରାମ ପଞ୍ଚାୟତର ସ୍ତରରେ କାର୍ଯ୍ୟକାରୀ କରାଯାଉଥିବା ଜାତୀୟ ଗ୍ରାମୀଣ ନିଶ୍ଚିନ୍ତ କର୍ମ ନିଯୁକ୍ତି ଯୋଜନା NRGS ର ସମୟ ରେକର୍ଡ ରେଜିଷ୍ଟ୍ର ଗୁଡିକ ପ୍ରସ୍ତୁତ କରିବେ ଓ ନିୟମାବଳୀର ସରପଞ୍ଚ ପଞ୍ଚାୟତ ନିର୍ବାହୀ ଅଧିକାରୀ PO ଙ୍କ ଠାରେ ଦସ୍ତଖତ କରାଇବେ. ଗ୍ରାମ ପଞ୍ଚାୟତଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ ଉଦ୍ଦିଷ୍ଟ ସମସ୍ତ NRGS ରେଜିଷ୍ଟ୍ର ଯଥା ପଞ୍ଜୀକରଣ ଦରଖାସ୍ତ ରେଜିଷ୍ଟର ଖ କାର୍ଯ୍ୟପତ୍ର ରେଜିଷ୍ଟର ଗ କର୍ମ ଯୋଗାଣ ରେଜିଷ୍ଟର ଓ ମାଷ୍ଟର ରୋଲ ରିସିପ୍ଟ ରେଜିଷ୍ଟର ସମ୍ପତ୍ତି ରେଜିଷ୍ଟର ଅଭିଯୋଗ ରେଜିଷ୍ଟର ପ୍ରସ୍ତୁତ କରିବେ. ପ୍ରତ୍ୟେକ ଦିନ ଅପଡେଟ କରିବେ. 4 କହୁଛି ଅଣକୁଶଳୀ ଶ୍ରମ ଚାହୁଁଥିବା ପରିବାର ପଞ୍ଜୀକରଣ ନିମନ୍ତେ
दरखास्त गुड़ी को ग्रहण करेंगे और तारीख दिवस प्राप्ति स्वीकार पत्र प्रदान करेंगे जो दरखास्तकारी निरक्षर होता से क्षेत्र में ग्राम रोजगार सेवक निजे फॉर्म पूरण करी तांकर दस्तखत कर चिन्ह टिप चिन्ह रखी दरखास्त ग्रहण करेंगे ग्राम पंचायत कार्यालय सुरक्षित भाव रखिए पंजीकरण निमंते दरखास्त को जांच करी पंजीकरण दरखास्त रजिस्टर पूरण करी सारिया पर ब्लॉक कंप्यूटर प्रोग्राम पाखरे ऑनलाइन एंट्री पर दाखल करेंगे ब्लॉक कंप्यूटर प्रोग्राम का दायित्व जॉब स्लिप ग्रहण कला परे जॉब कार्ड रे पोस्ट करी जॉब कार्ड पूरण करेंगे एवं जॉब कार्ड रजिस्टर पूरण करी सारिया पर दरखास्त ग्रहण कर 15 दिन मध्य जॉब कार्ड बंटन करेंगे पीओ को सहायक ऑफिस रे जमा करी खोलिबारे साहाय्य करेंगे एनआरजीएस योजना द्वारा कार्यकारी होउथिबा कार्यर 100 दिन कम काम करथिबा परिवार पंजीकृत अकुशली श्रमिक मान तालिका एवं संपूर्ण आर्थिक वर्ष में केते दिन काम कर ग्राम पंचायत को प्रार्थी को प्रदान करेंगे अणकुशली कर्म
यस आपनकर जॉब चार्ट होची या
यस
हला यस जॉब चार्ट रे आपनकर ये नहीं
ए सब जब हम सब यस जे हम घर घर काम करबो एते दिन काम करै दो बोली टेक्स दिस एरा सारा कसा काम डाटा
रोहन आपण
सॉरी
जॉब कार्ड रे तांकर कोड लिखा है एति की दिन रे एति काम करी forget my order. I have not passed anything. Assume that I have not passed anything. I am asking whether the job chart that is provided for these people, does it cover paragraph 4 and 5 of the determination letter?
So that job chart was important 6.
এটা কেবেকার কেস
এই কেসটা হচ্ছে
2021 রে তো 21 রে কোন জব কার্ড থিলা
ମୁଁ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ additional affidavit filed on
21 ରେ ଜବ କାର୍ଡ ଟା କରୁଥିଲା
no I have filed an affidavit I have also enclosed those documents କୋଉ ଆମେ ଯେ ଏଇ କାମଟା ଜିଆରଏସ୍
ଏଗ୍ଜାକ୍ଟଲି
I filed a document
काउंटर एफिडेविट फाइल करते
17th of October 2023 पर्सन डायरेक्शन डॉक्टर ऑफ द we filed an affidavit for that.
This is
counter already filed report since okay. It was not included. This particular job is not included in that job chart.
That is that. Wait, is that date of that?
17th of October
23. But आपन केबे
सर एटा these are at still prevailing. These are at.
आपन जतले ये जो
disengagement letter हला that is 21 sorry
also
6th of September
6-9
page 7
6-9 I got it.
Prior to that, it could also take also 3. We find whatever should also come to page 5.
You come to that 6-9 later.
6 that I got to take a lecture. You get a 15 months of good work. You fast 15 days then you are 2015 it was issued to all directors as well as the collectors, project directors, DRT and collectors. And it was specifically directed to the collectors as well as DRS that all the VLW was paid fixed clear to this 2,200.
You are VLW?
No, sir. GRS.
So why are you saying this? Reading the you come directly to GRS, na?
Second level, then I am starting from second. Various other officers like J, GPK, GRS. GRS is extension officer declared as designated officer for the purpose of rural housing scheme are also conducting frequent field visits and facilitating the beneficiary for early completion of their house. Extending provision of mobility support applicable to these officers was under consideration of government. Government, after careful consideration, has been pleased to allow mobility support of rupees 1 each JE, GPK, GRS along with PW who have been declared as designated officer under rural housing scheme. If they will no more be paid to the field after introduction of the mobility support. So with effect from 2.15, GRS have been designated as the designated officer.
That is not the question.
No.
My answer, the answer I am seeking from you. Whether the two twin condition 4 and 5 that is there in the termination letter, does it cover their job chart or not? That is the question.
It has been added.
Where? They show me that. I am interested in where is it? Forget all these things. Come straight.
Added as the additional, it has been given as additional.
Sir, code ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି ଯେ ଏତିକି ଦିନ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଗୋଟେ ଥିବ ନା ଗୋଟେ କ୍ରାଇଟେରିଆ ଯେ ଏତିକି ଦିନ ଯଦି ଏତିକି କାମ ନ କଲ ତାକୁ କାଢି ଦିଆଯିବ ଥିବ ନା କୋଉଥିରେ ଗୋଟେ ଥିବ ତ ସେଇ ବେସିସରେ ଆପଣ କାଢିବେ ଆଉ ମନେ ଇଚ୍ଛା ଆପଣ ନିଜେ ନିଜେ କ୍ରାଇଟେରିଆ ଫିକ୍ସ କରି କାଢି ପାରିବେନି ତ where is that criteria ଯେ ଏଇ ଲୋକ come to that quick paragraph 3.
It should be tagged officers should mandatorily capture photos. Tagged officer to the GRS.
That is fine.
To Amaghora of all incomplete houses on weekly basis. Those tagged officers who fail to stick to deadline for release of installment and capturing photographs of incomplete.
What is the deadline?
So deadline is counter related. If you watch my counter in 2016-19, he was given target of 21 houses. He completed only 6. In 2019-20, he was given 27 houses. He only completed 2. And in 2020-21, he was given 120 targets.
So he is an underperformer.
Yes. And he has only achieved 8.93% of total target. So 8.93% of his performance cannot be considered as satisfactory. And in fact, he was also given sufficient opportunity. 3 showcases were given. He was also given time extension to enhance his competence.
Okay. Yes. Okay.
But he couldn't perform. Therefore, the operation
you file your written submission, you file.
Yes. Okay. Then to reply to that, only answer for that.
You
Yes.
just give
Yes.
a short note.
Note. Yes.
Both of the files.
Yes.
Next.
Item 32.
32. 32.
May I please, Your Lords? The listing is a counter not filed on the last page of the mail on the second time to file the counter.
Not because of the state 6 time to file the counter. This is the matter. 22nd November. Next.
Matter
33.
Matter closed.
Yeah. Close. You give me short notes. By tomorrow.
By tomorrow. It will list it.
Our list.
Close.
Yes. Next.
33 also, State Council took time to file counter on last date. Is a matter relating to release of the insured amount of the farmers under Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana. Our claim is held up on the ground of during inquiry there was a public hindrance. During inquiry, there was a public hindrance.
What do you reply? You'll file.
I am for the insurance company, opposite party 8.
You have filed the reply?
I filed my counter. I have given copy also.
You are for the.
No, I am not.
State government is a culprit.
Yes, sir. That was direction.
No, but ultimately we have to pay. What happened when that CC was going to be conducted? They cut the crop and thereafter they say that its yield very low. So that was the issue.
Oh. So that average CC. Crop building.
Crop cutting experiments. Before that, the farmers, they took all these crops and say that there is no yield, so you pay the insurance. That's why, except these 3 panchayats, all other panchayats paid. Here the 3 panchayats, these all subcommittees, district committee, state committee, they all held.
File the reply by within 1 week. I will not give long time. So 14th November.
14th November. All 3 matters.
All 3.
Obliged.
34.
34.
Let's see, instead of 14 another date, I will file rejoinder if any. You will file counter on
No counter rejoinder, please.
Yes.
Counter हो गया ना? Rejoinder पर out to समय नहीं है. Key matter है rejoinder counter time waste करते हैं. छोटा matter तो फटफट सरी जीवो. तब counter rejoinder, for rejoinder, आउ कौन कौन अच्छे लोग कौन मार. छोटा issue. बड़ा बड़ा कौन रही था क्या? Compensation issue था. Next.
लास्ट में जब से पहले मत
ठीक है दे दे तो देर आए दुरुस्त आए सर ले लो हाँ
नहीं लास्ट ओकेजन में पहले काउंटर दे दी
that's why I am saying ना देर आए दुरुस्त आए ले लो स्टेट गवर्नमेंट पाई जैसे बड़ा कथा they are next to God Lord स्टेट गवर्नमेंट वाला एतिक दउछते बड़ कथा सेने दियंतिनी भी अलग पार्टी को एठी दियंती कोर्ट रे they don't have the audacity to give them the copy also they think our state why should people should come and collect from us
In my record, the office has noted that E-file, the counter of
E-file.
Also copies are
by copies are by post by email तो गोटे काम करूनाहांती समस्तकर एडवोकेट मानकर गोटे ईमेल आईडी आपन थिबो ना हम ईमेल रे भी गोटे कॉपी छाडी देबो आ ईमेल रे कॉपी छाडी सेडा देखेबे मो ईमेल रे पठेइतिली दैट इज आल्सो accepted as they have received आसे तने कहि परिबे हम रिसीव कर देबो हम से को नांती ई आपण ई फाइलिंग ईमेल भी कर ईमेल कर देंतु खत्म आ हार्ड कॉपी काई दोतना रजिस्ट्री रूल चेंज कर दा कोन अछि ई फाइलिंग हां ईमेल प्रिंटर पैसा पड़िबो ना आपण भी भलो प्रिंटर काढी पैसा पड़िबो सब तो सस्ता सस्ता दरकार ना आपण पठे देथिबे धरि धरंतु 150 पेज प्रिंट आउट लगता केते पड़िबो सेटा से बाबूजी ना सेति में आपण गोटे काम करंतु जो बेसी पेज हो आपण गोटे आईपैड गोटे किनंतु खोली खोली पढंतु काई पेपरलेस नॉट पेपरलेस इज लेस पेपरलेस वर्ड इज मिसनोमर इट इज एक्चुअली लेस पेपर कोड हम को जो पेपरलेस कोड ये तो पेपर तो सब बड़ा भर्ती है पेपरलेस कोड है इट इज लेस पेपर कोड सो आपण शेयर करंतु
So short date may be fixed.
ओके शॉर्ट डेट 16 next 35
my lord item 35 my lord in that case my lord the order dated 29/8/2023 has not been complied in spite of the notice dated 9/5/2023 has already been served and sufficient my lord
sorry
your lordship has directed for personal appearance of opposite party number 2 my lord that is
okay
that is my lord the E Jasamanta only one opposite party my lord
OP2 के कौन दो
my lord Ilipi Jasamanta my lord Ilipi Jasamanta
ठीक है
my lord against whom the order has been passed
अरे सर से किए से लो ना
the insurer my lord I mean the person who has got the insurance
okay
and insure against this company my lord.
you are for the company
Yes my lord
you are appearing for the company
yes I am for the company my lord
nobody is appearing he nai how a chance to now appears for the petitioner last chance may be granted to the petitioner to appear list the matter 16th November ये से लोक ना दी ना सर्विस कंप्लीट नहीं था
yes the notice is
कंप्लीट
yes the notice is
है जी चला सुन आउट फ्रेश स्टेप ने तो कौन बाटा अछि
yes notice my lord
लोकल एगुडे काम करो 10 दिन यार फ्रेश स्टेप में भी टेकन बाय द petitioner by way of serving to the
yes
sab dasti through the local court
Barampur my lord Barampur
और 10 दिन पे फी दे देबे
oblige
next
36 may I please my lord as per the direction my lord the counter has not yet been received my lord and my lord kindly I would like to point out that vehicle has already been transferred in the name of other person my lord.
but Union of India or Indian party Union of India कौन और party
Because my lord because the present petitioner has taken loan and he has purchased this vehicle my lord it's a four-wheeler truck
but why Union of India party
and the Reserve Bank of India my lord that is RBI is the
why RBI never gives loan to
so opposite party number 2 and 3 my lord. Neither they are filing counter my lord and besides that
my lord I am appearing on behalf of the opposite party my lord My lord, the
opposite party कहबे ता नाडा दे तो थिबो आज्ञा opposite party वाला कि जानि
HDB finance, my lord.
कहबे ना opposite party वाला कि
My
जाना
lord, sorry, my lord. My lord, the present petitioner will file this case, my lord, after 1 year sale of the vehicle, my lord. We have
How could I know?
I am submitting all the documents with my lord. My lord,
My lord,
my lord, the present petitioner suppress everything, my lord, and on let me submit.
No, we have to file the counter.
Yes,
as per the direction. Where is the
my lord, 1 week time may be allowed, my lord. I may submit, my lord. On my lord,
Whatever you want to say, fine.
my lord, my lord, on 7th January 22, my lord, we have given a notice, my lord. That is the loan recall notice, my lord, and given time, my lord, to clear up the outstanding amount, my lord. Thereafter, my lord, on 16/11/22, my lord, my lord, the present petitioner filed this read petition, my lord.
File your account, counter, sir. We'll see that.
We said that how
We put all this dates there. Okay, with
ବର୍ଷକ ପରେ ଆମେ
No, they scratch out the balance.
no, my lord, all the document with me, my lord.
Just a minute, jane कहले थिना छोड़ी I can't hear you.
My lord, all the document with me,
I
my
am
lord.
asking you, whatever document you file your counter, annex all your document, and also give us a list of date. Then that will be clear. अच्छा आपण कहउतबे से कहउतबे. Okay, next.
Matter will be taken up after 7 days.
After 10 days, let's.
14 तारिख ପରେ ହଉଛି
14 ରେ
14 ମୋର ଟିକେ ପେଟ ଟିକେ ଖରାପ ହେଇଛି ମୁଁ ଟିକେ ଇଣ୍ଡସ୍ଟ୍ରି ନାଇଁ ମୋର ଟିକେ ଦେହଟା ଖରାପ ଅଛି ଆଜ୍ଞା ଦେହଟା ଖରାପ ଅଛି 14 ତାରିଖ ଡେଟ୍ ଟା ରହିଛି ମୋର 14 ତାରିଖ ପରେ ନା ମୋ ଦେହଟା ପର୍ସନାଲି ମୋ ନିଜ ଦେହ ଖରାପ ଅଛି ମୁଁ ସେଥିଲାଗି
ଓକେ 16 କରି
16
ଆଜ୍ଞା 14 ତାରିଖ
ମାନେ ଆଗରୁ ଆପଣ ଲ ପ୍ରଫେସନ ଛାଡିକି ଆପଣ ଏଷ୍ଟ୍ରୋଲୋଜର ହେଲେଣି. Next.
Item 38.
38.
In this matter on the last, my directed for a joint committee to verify that land mallet. But yet mallet nothing has been done.
That
yes, mallet.
Sonpur.
Torba. No.
Then ଗୋଟେ copy ଦିଅ. ଦେବେଲେ ଦେଲେ ସେ ଦେଖିବେ ତାପରେ ମୁଁ ଶୁଣିବି ନା ଖାଲି ଦେବ.
No, it was a previous mallet. Then after there is a direction. It was the previous. Juda. ତାପରେ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ joint ପାଇଁ direction ଅଛି.
Scientific officer.
Copy ଟା ଦିଅ.
ହଁ agriculture district agriculture officer.
Copy ଟା ଦିଅ.
Extra copy ଅଛି ଦେଲ. Copy.
No, I don't have that.
Do one thing. You give him a copy, let him go through also, so that will hear me better.
Well.
A copy ta you just you give a copy. So day after tomorrow.
Yes, ma'am.
Otherwise, if he doesn't read again, he will say, I am not aware of what is the report. Suddenly everything will come to surprise, na? So give a copy. Next.
Item 41.
41. Bajaj Alliance. You are for Bajaj Alliance?
Opposite party वाला.
Bajaj वाला कौन है?
से बाहर आछन बोर्ड टा टिके देखि.
अच्छा पासवर्ड कर दे. Password कर दे. Next.
Item 42.
42.
42 when the notice was issued. It is a matter when which OTS amount was fixed. I paid the OTS amount, but they are not.
Which for IDFC? You are that. So OTS has been fixed.
I have entered appearance today. I have filed the wakalatnama. Let a copy be served. I'll
give a copy. You are also there. For whom?
For IDFC.
IDFC.
Right.
Same size.
Right.
Okay. You give a copy.
An interim order to continue.
Interim order to continue. 43. 42. 42. Sorry, 42.
41.
41. Yes. You are for the Bajaj.
Yes, ma'am. I am for the Bajaj.
What is the issue?
Issue, my lords, the opposite party number 1, my lords, had taken a health insurance policy issued by the petitioner insurance company.
Okay.
And as per the policy condition, he was supposed to lodge the claim within 30 days, my lords. within 30 days.
So he has lost actually
But
after how many days?
no, he has not lost the claim. Our case is that no claim intimation was given, no claim was lodged. Subsequently, without giving us intimation and without submitting document, he approached the Lanet permanent local adalat.
Without even approaching you.
No,
Keମିତି sir, ଆପଣ claim ନ କରି ସିଧା
Claim
ପଳେଇବେ?
already I have met an accident and
Sir,
going to
ଆପଣ
yes, I already toll free number
Just
my
wait,
wife.
hold on, hold on.
Yes, ma'am.
ଆପଣ ଯେତେବେଳେ accident ହଉଛି, after accident you are supposed to approach to the insurance company
Yes, ma'am.
claiming
Toll free କରିଥିଲି. Toll free number ରେ.
କଣ ମାନେ ଫୋନ କରିଥିଲେ?
Yes, ma'am. That is
କରାଯାଏ
insurance.
କି?
Intimate କରିବା.
ଏମିତି intimate କରାଯାଏ?
Apart from that, I
କଣ
have
ଆପଣଙ୍କ mode of intimate କଣ? ଫୋନ ରେ
and documents also served in Keonjhar office matter, but subsequently
sir document ସବୁ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ପୁରା claim form ଅଛି ସେ
Yes.
form fill up କରିକି ସବୁ document ଦେବାକୁ ପଡେ ଆପଣ କୋଉଠି ସେଟା ଦେଇଥିଲେ
ସେଟା କେଉଁଝର office ରେ ଦେଇଥିଲା.
show me
Because I have no acknowledgement.
Without that,
Apart from that, matter,
then they
I have been a letter was also I am submitting on
ଆପଣ
on
apply ନ କଲେ ସେ କେମିତି ଜାଣିବେ ଆପଣ accident ହେଇଛି କି କଣ ହେଇଛି how will they get
my wife was submitted because I am in paralysis matter, therefore
Sir,
my
all these things are not the answer, sir. You are supposed to know all these things. ମୁଁ ଜାଣିନି law ଜାଣିନି
No, no.
ମୁଁ କହିଲେ ହବନି court କୁ ଆସିନି you are supposed to know the law.
The-
ମୁଁ ଆଜ୍ଞା law ଜାଣିନି
as per
ମୋ wife ଜାଣିନଥିଲା
No, no,
she is a pardanishi
no,
woman
no, no,
she was a woman illiterate woman all these things are not going to serve you
no, in a toll free number it was submitted and documents were in the meantime
Sir,
office was closed.
insurance claim toll free number ରେ ହୁଏନି sir
To intimacy, yes, yes. But I'm
toll free
intimated.
number call କରିଦେ ଆଜ୍ଞା ଆମର accident ହେଇଗଲା ଦେଇଦେବା
No, no, you just intimated and
ସେମିତି intimation କରାଯାଏନି your mode of intimation itself is wrong.
and apart from I have submitted documents in the
Sir, I have 100, what I can say, 500% sympathy for you. But there is even 100% performance is also not there on it.
and apart
1% performance is also not there. for you.
and apart from that on 17/10/20 I have a letter was issued which was received on 21/10 by the
Those who help themselves, insurance company will help them. Those who cannot help themselves, insurance
award is
company
my
will
lord 1 lakh award was passed my lord 2 policy and
So, award କେତେ ଦେଇଛି?
1 lakh.
In fact, it should have been 50,000. Two policies are there. One policy for some insured is 50,000. And the entire treatment is under one policy. But the Lanet
Claim କେତେ କରିଛନ୍ତି?
claim ତାଙ୍କର ଥିଲା ଲକ୍ଷେ ଟଙ୍କା।
ସେ ଆପଣ ଦେଖୁଛନ୍ତି ଏତେ ପଇସା କଣ ଲକ୍ଷ ଲକ୍ଷ ଲୋକ ଗରିବ ଲୋକଟା ଦେଇଦେଲେ କି ଏତେ କାହିଁକି ତାକୁ କୋର୍ଟ କଚେରୀ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଲର ଫି ଥୋଡି 50,000
ନାଇଁ
ଛାଡ ଦେଇଦେଲେ ଯାଆନ୍ତା ଏତେ ଫର୍ମାଲିଟି ଗୋଟେ ଠିକ ଅଛି somebody died she a poor lady illiterate lady may not be knowing all these things so ଏତେ formality କରିବାଟା କଣ
ନା formality actually as per the
ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଦେଇଛି ଯେ ପିୟୁସି ଆପଣ ଦେଇଛି କେତେ ଦେବା ପାଇଁ ଦେଇଛି
ଲକ୍ଷେ ଟଙ୍କା ଦବ।
ହଁ ଦେଇ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ମୁଁ ପିୟୁସି ଅର୍ଡର କନଫର୍ମ କରିଦେଲି ଆଇ ଏମ୍ ନଟ୍ ଇଣ୍ଟରେଷ୍ଟେଡ୍ ଆପଣ ଯିବେ ସୁପ୍ରିମକୋର୍ଟ ଯାଆନ୍ତୁ ସୁପ୍ରିମକୋର୍ଟ ସେ ହିଁ କରିବ 101% ସେୟା କରିବ
ଲକ୍ଷେ ଟଙ୍କା ପାଇଁ କିଏ ଯିବ?
ସେ ତ ଆପଣ ଯଦି ଏଣେ ତେଣେ ନ ଯିବା ପାଇଁ ଦେଇଦେବାଟା ଭଲ କାଇଁ ଦେଇଦେବେନି କଣ
Here lots may kindly appreciate that.
sometimes
even
just ଆପଣ ଏତେ ଲୋକ ଇନ୍ସୁରାନ୍ସ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ହାର୍ଡଲି ସେଥିରୁ 10% କି 15% ଲୋକ କ୍ଲେମ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ରାଇଟ୍ ବାକି ତ ସବୁ ଆପଣ ପକେଟରେ ଭରିଲେ ଗୋଟେ ଦୁଇଟା ଦେଇଦେଲୁ ଗୋଟେ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଗୋଟେ ଲୋକ ଦରମା ହବ ଆପଣ ଇନ୍ସୁରାନ୍ସ ଆହୁରି ଚାଲିବ
sir 1600 କେତେ ଟଙ୍କା ପ୍ରିମିୟମ ଲକ୍ଷେ ଟଙ୍କା
ହେଲା ଅଲଗା ଆଡେ ପାଉଛନ୍ତି ରଖିଲେ ଆପଣ କହିବି ଆପଣ ଷ୍ଟାଟିଷ୍ଟିକ୍ସ ଗିଣେଇବି ହେଲେ ଆପଣ ପୁରା ହେଲେ ସେଠି ମୂର୍ଚ୍ଛା ହେଇଯିବେ ଷ୍ଟାଟିଷ୍ଟିକ୍ସ କହିବି ଇନ୍ସୁରାନ୍ସ କମ୍ପାନୀର ଯେତେ ଅନକ୍ଲେମ୍ଡ ଯେତିକି ଅଛି ଯେତେ ଲୋକ କରନ୍ତି ମାନେ ଫାଇନାଲି ଯେତେବେଳେ ତାର ପିରିୟଡ ଖତମ ହେଲା ପରେ ଯେତେବେଳେ ନିଅନ୍ତି ଅନକ୍ଲେମ୍ଡ ଖାଲି କମ 6 or 7 ଲାख କରୋଡ଼ ଖାଲି ଅନକ୍ଲେମ୍ଡ ବାହାରିବ
ସେ LIC
ମୁଁ ଏଟା ଇନ୍ସୁରାନ୍ସ କମ୍ପାନୀର କହୁଛି ସେକ୍ଟର କଥା କହୁଛି ଆଉ ଏଇ ଲକ୍ଷେ ଟଙ୍କା ପାଇଁ ଆପଣ କାହିଁ ଏତେ କୁନ୍ଥି ହଉଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ ଇନ୍ସୁରାନ୍ସ କମ୍ପାନୀ କହନ୍ତୁ ଦେଇଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ବୋଲି ମୋର ଅର୍ଡର ପାସ୍ କରିଦେବି ନେଇଯାଆନ୍ତୁ ଅର୍ଡର ମୁଁ ପାସ୍ କରିଦେଇଛି ଅର୍ଡର ଗଲା
ଇଣ୍ଟରେଷ୍ଟ 8%
ଛାଡ଼ନ୍ତୁ
ୟା ଦେହରେ
ମୁଁ ଗୋଟେ କାମ ଇଣ୍ଟରେଷ୍ଟ ୱେବ୍ କରିଦଉଛି ହେଲା ଇଣ୍ଟରେଷ୍ଟ ୱେବ୍ କରିଦଉଛି 1 ଲାख ଦେଇଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ୱେବର ଅଫ୍ ଇଣ୍ଟରେଷ୍ଟ ହେଲା
yes your lordship pass that order only for my submission
ଏମିତି ଆପଣ ସପୋର୍ଟ କରୁଥିବେ ଏ ଗରିବ ଲୋକ ସପୋର୍ଟ କରିବେ ଭଲ
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ ସେଇଟା ଠିକ your lordship record my submission and pass the
yes of course your submission vehemently argued And he argued, the argument was
No,
taken
no,
up to that roof. पूरा सब लिख देंगे.
No, twofold ground malus. One, there was no intimation. Second, one
Let us
policy.
insurance company submit that the insurer has not intimated the death claim through proper procedure. Number two.
Number two, malus, in one policy, the sum insured is 50,000.
In one of the policy, the sum insured was 50,000, and the other one.
No, both minus 50,000, but the policy under Annexure 1, during the validity of the policy under Annexure 3 malus, the accident took place and the entire treatment was exhausted.
Okay. During the validity of the policy, the treatment was undertaken and then the consequence of petitioner for the submitters, the petitioner being the illiterate lady, she's illiterate lady, and was critically ill and shocked by the death of the husband.
No,
death-
not death, but
Case of injury.
injury, severe
Injury.
Oh, sorry, I move how the death is because of the injury. So the procedural formalities could not have been done. However, she has
Yes,
she has approached the authority by the toll-free number as she was not aware of the procedures and formalities to claim the.
also submitted documents, but in the meantime, office closed.
So that is disputed malus.
Yes, though the submission of document is disputed, considering the condition of the petitioner and her mental state of affairs due to the accident, the insurance company should show some sympathy without being pedantic to the procedures. Also, in such view of the matter, the order passed by the learned permanent Lok Adalat. We don't find any infirmity in the order passed by the said amount be according to the said amount be released in favor of the petitioner.
Within 8 weeks, man.
Within 8 weeks.
1 lakh consolidated.
1 lakh considered when interest is waived.
Interest, compensation
Compensation is there.
interest and compensation to go malus.
ସବୁ ଯାକ
1 lakh rupees malus within 8 weeks.
Total କେତେ ଅଛି?
1 lakh 55,000.
No, 1 lakh has been directed under the policy and 50,000 compensation.
And
5,000 cost.
litigation.
अच्छा ସବୁ ଦେଇ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ 55 ଦେଇଦେବି ତ ଗଲା ଆଉ
No, 55.
ବସ୍ 5,000 ଟଙ୍କା ଦେଇଦେବି କଣ
1 lakh 5,000
8%.
consolidated man.
ଆଉ 50,000
50,000 malus.
Interest ଟା
Here
8%
this is a
କଟିବ।
peculiar case where no intimation is there.
Oh,
Since your lordship is taking
1 lakh 5,000 कर दूँ 1 lakh 5 नहीं 1 lakh 15,000 कर दूँ
1 lakh 15,000
15 कर दूँ
1 lakh 50,000.
without consolidated.
ଦିଟା କଟିଗଲା interest ଟା plus 5,000.
କମ୍ପେନସେସନ କାହିଁକି ସେ ଦେବେ କମ୍ପେନସେସନ ଭୁଲ ତ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଭୁଲ ଅଛି ତାକୁ କମ୍ପେନସେସନ ଦେବାଟା ଠିକ ଅଛି
interest
ଆପଣ एकदम ଲିଗାଲି ଯଦି କରେକ୍ଟ ଅଛି ଆପଣ କିଛି ପାଇବା କଥା ନାହିଁ କିନ୍ତୁ ଷ୍ଟିଲ ସେମାନେ ସିମ୍ପାଥି କରିବା ପାଇଁ କୁହାହଉଛି ଆଉ କମ୍ପେନସେସନ ଗୋଟେ କଣ ପାଇଁ ଦେବେ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଭୁଲ ସେମାନେ କାଇଁ କମ୍ପେନସେସନ ଦେବେ
1 lakh 30.
1 lakh 15,000 ହେଲା finally 1 lakh 15,000 amount
1 lakh 20,000.
1 lakh is the insurance kete insurance
Here malus the sum assured is 1 lakh.
1 lakh
In
is the
two policy.
insurance towards the insurance amount and rupees 15,000 for litigation expense hala and the compensation part is waived off khatam
Malus. Without interest. Consolidated.
without interest of course
Matter.
order kebe ଦେଇଥିଲେ
Order of 19 ରୁ 5% interest ତ
19 ରୁ ସେଇଟା ସେଟା ଦେଇ ଦେବି
ହଁ ସେ 19
5% interest from 90
ବାସ୍ 5%.
ସେଟା ଦେବି ତ ଅର୍ଡର ଦେଇଥିଲେ ଆପଣ କମ୍ପ୍ଲେନ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ କୋର୍ଟ କୁ କେବେ ଆସିଲେ ଆପଣ
ଆମେ ଆସିଲୁ
23 ରେ
23
ହଁ ମୁଁ ଯଦି ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଯଦି ଡିଲେ ଗ୍ରାଉଣ୍ଡ ରୁ କଟେଇ ଦେଇଥାନ୍ତି
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ ଅର୍ଡର ଅଛି ନା Here minutes, the order was passed by the learned PLA on in the year 2023 minutes. Order dated 12th April.
ତାହେଲେ ତାହେଲେ ଆଉ ଇଣ୍ଟରେଷ୍ଟ କରୁଛନ୍ତି
2023.
5%.
କେମିତି ଇଣ୍ଟରେଷ୍ଟ
ବହୁତ
ଆସିବ
ସିଭିୟର ରେଞ୍ଜ
ସାର୍ ଆପଣଙ୍କର କ୍ଲେମ ବି କରିନାହାନ୍ତି ନା ଆପଣ ବୁଝୁନାହାନ୍ତି
ସେ ଆକ୍ଚୁଆଲି କରିଛି
ଆକ୍ଚୁଆଲି ଟୁ ଏକଦମ ଲିଗାଲିଷ୍ଟିକ ହେଲେ ଆପଣ କିଛି ପାଇବେନି ଲିଗାଲିଷ୍ଟିକ ହେଲେ କିଛି ପାଇବେନି ମୁଁ ସେଥିପାଇଁ ଏଇ ଯୋଉ ଏକ୍ସଟ୍ରା ଯୋଉ କମ୍ପେନସେସନ ବ୍ଲା 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 ସେଟା ୱେଭ୍ ଅଫ୍ କରିଦଉଛି ହେଲା
ତାଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ
ବ୍ୟାଲେନ୍ସ ହେବା କଥା ଦି ପାର୍ଟିକୁ ବ୍ୟାଲେନ୍ସ କରିବି ନା ଆଉ ଆପଣ ଖାଲି ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଭୁଲ ତ କଥା ଆପଣ ଇନ୍ସୁରାନ୍ସ କରିବେନି ଟୋଲ ଫ୍ରି ନମ୍ବରରେ କଲ୍ କରିବେ ମତେ ଇନ୍ସୁରାନ୍ସ କ୍ଲେମ ଏମିତି ହୁଏ ସିଷ୍ଟମ ଅଛି ନା ତାର ଫର୍ମ ଫିଲ୍ଅପ କରିବେ କାଗଜ ଦେବେ ସବୁ ହେଲା ପରେ ସେମାନେ ପ୍ରୋସେସ କରିବେ ଆପଣ କିଛି କରିବେନି
କିନ୍ତୁ ଅଫିସ ଟା କ୍ଲୋଜ ହେଲା ପରେ
ଅଫିସ କ୍ଲୋଜ ହେଲା ଏତେ ବର୍ଷ କ୍ଲୋଜ ହେଇଥିଲା ଅଫିସ କେବେ ଚାଲିଲା
19 ସୁପର ସାଇକ୍ଲୋନ ପରେ ଏ ଯୋଉ କୋଭିଡ ପରେ କ୍ଲୋଜ ହେଲା
ଡିଷ୍ଟ୍ରିକ୍ଟ ଅଫିସ ଥିବ ନିଶ୍ଚୟ ଏଟା ଗ୍ରାଉଣ୍ଡ ସେଗୁଡା ହବ କିଛି interest everything is waived off next 1,15,000 1 lakh for insurance 15,000 for litigation cost ହେଲା 1,15,000 ଯାଅ ଆଉ ଅଧିକ କହିବେ ମୁଁ dismiss କରିବି
Item 43.
43
report ଆସିନି ନା 2 weeks after
sorry
report ଆସିନି
हां
CD पर report ଆସିନି 2 weeks after
କାହାର ରିପୋର୍ଟ ଆସିନି
CD bro
Nothing is, appeal they have lost convincingly. They have no qualification to be appointed as Anganwadi.
ଆପଣ କାହା ପାଇଁ ଅଛନ୍ତି ପିଟିସନର ଆର୍ଗ୍ୟୁ କରନ୍ତୁ କାହା ରିପୋର୍ଟ ଆସି ସିରି પર ରିପୋର୍ଟ ଥିଲା
directed to obtain status of residence of the
ଆପଣ ଆସିଛି ଆପଣ କେମିତି ଜାଣିଲେ ଆପଣ କେମିତି ଜାଣିଲେ ଖବର ଆଗରୁ ନାଇଁ ସେଠି ଫଲୋ କରୁଥିବେ ହଉ ଠିକ ଅଛି 22nd ଆସ ନେକ୍ସଟ
44.
counter not filed my lord
हां
counter
not filed अरे ମୁଁ ଖାଲି ଏମିତି କାଉଣ୍ଟର ଏଜେଣ୍ଟ ଚକରେ ମୁଁ ବସିକି ମ୍ୟାଟର ଫାଇଲ ଏଡଜେଣ୍ଟ କରି ଚାଲିଥିବି
44 we got instruction but here the series was due to cardiac arrest limited
ସବୁ କାଳିଆ ଗ୍ୟାରେଜ କିଛି ନାହିଁ ଘରେ ବସି ଆରାମସେ ଚଣା ମୁଢି ଖାଉଥିବ ବସିକି କିଛି କାଳିଆ ଗ୍ୟାରେଜ ମିଛ କଥା କୋର୍ଟ କଥା ପଡିଲେ କାଳିଆ ଗ୍ୟାରେଜ ହେଇଯାଉଛି ହଁ ଉଲ୍ଟା ସିଧା କରିଥିବେ କଥା ପଡିଗଲେ କାଳିଆ ଗ୍ୟାରେଜ ହଉ ଛାଡ଼ Lord comes to state 2 weeks time. List the matter on 24th November. Next
45.
45.
filing the
Regender. ଆପଣ ସେଠି କଲେ କି ନା ଏଠି କରୁଛନ୍ତି ଆଜ୍ଞା ଏଟା କାଉଣ୍ଟର ନୁହେଁ ସେଠି ଅଛି ରେଜିଷ୍ଟ୍ରି ସେପଟେ ଅଛି କାଉଣ୍ଟର କାଉଣ୍ଟର ରାସ୍ତା କେମିତି ଭୁଲି ଯାଉଛନ୍ତି ସେପଟେ ଆସୁଛନ୍ତି ପରେ ଆପଣ ଏଠି କେମିତି କାଉଣ୍ଟର ଫାଟି କରିବେ କପି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ତାଙ୍କୁ give a copy to the petitioner to is filing the counter during the course of the day. This the matter day after tomorrow. Hala? You are for?
The next matter, I am the petitioner.
Oh, connected matter.
Connected matter.
Okay.
I have no information regarding the present development.
Okay.
So I only seek 1 week time. Thereafter, the lordship may.
Okay, list the matter 14 hours. 14 hours. 14 hours. Yes. Next.
Item 47.
47. 47.
47 today we are finding counter.
Not consider state 6 weeks time to file the counter. List the matter on 22nd November. 47. Hey. They are seeking time for filing counter.
Counter is filing
ଦେଇ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଫାଇଲ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ପ୍ରୁଫ ଥିବ ନା ଗୋଟେ କପି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ if you want to file in a regender you can file in the meantime
ଗୋଟେ
week ଠିକ ଅଛି
because in the meantime they have given appointment to the person who is at the threshold is not the person who is to be selected by virtue of
we'll see that na if there is
week.
selected we can
I prefer a week.
Okay. 16.
Okay.
Next.
Item 48.
48.
Yes, my lord. May it please, my lord. As per the direction and observation of this honorable court, if the petitioner has obtained an authenticate certificate from the COVID hospital. We have filed it on 16/10.
Yeah.
We have filed it in the file on the 16/10/2023. In this case, my lord, the petitioner is a very poor person, belongs to labor class. He was persuaded and he insured his health under the Star Health and Allied Alliance Insurance Company Limited. And while the policy was valid, he suffered from, he was affected with COVID-19. After getting he was admitted on the recommendation of the Community Health Center Balagati. He was admitted in some hospital. He received treatment, and after the discharge, he was discharged on 27/10/21.
So
he-
what certificate they want to see? The discharge certificate.
Discharge certificate. I have obtained the authenticate certificate, my lord. We have filed a discharge certificate in the writ petition. The Honorable Court observed that authenticity must be procured from the concerned hospital. And some hospital has granted nodal officer COVID-19 has granted a certificate that we have filed.
He's surviving.
He survived. Luckily, he survived.
Oh, luckily, obviously, he's surviving means luckily, of course.
Yes, my lord. That was
So-
a very grave pandemic. It is very
So what was
important.
your amount you?
My lord, it was only 2 lakhs sum assured.
So that they will do nothing.
ଦଉନାହାନ୍ତି ସେମାନେ କହୁଛନ୍ତି fabricated document.
Why
and in-
fabricated, sir? Now they have got the authenticated document with the seal and everything.
The copy of the document has not been
Okay,
shot
you
down.
give a copy to him also. Give a photocopy of the document. to him.
Yes, I will give.
And Millard, already I have filed a note of submissions.
Sir, your note of submission is fine. You see this document issued by the some hospital.
Yes.
And after seeing this document, you just take instruction.
My lord,
Monday.
Before they rejecting, they must have heard to me. I have filed.
Don't worry, sir. Let them.
Sir,
Give them a copy. You'll see that.
Yes, today I am just.
You give them a copy. Mr.
he is not.
Mr. Sahu, you give a mode to transmit the copy to you.
My junior will collect it.
Where is your junior? Is he available here?
Perhaps it is in some other court. I'm informing
Okay,
him.
give him a copy. Okay. Now he's here. He's here. What is your name?
Yes, I just give him now.
What is your name? Gyanaranjan Prushti is here.
Sir.
Okay, give a copy. Give a copy to him.
My lord, before rejecting, they must have heard me.
Sir, I'll hear it. Let them go through it. You have just submitted document just
Yes,
now.
my lord. Yes, my
It is there. It is also they are supposed to go through this document.
Yes, my lord. They may.
Let them go through this document. We'll see that.
Whatever document.
Day after tomorrow. Day after tomorrow.
Sir, day after mତେ inconvenience sir 11 ତାରିଖ ପରେ any day ମତେ instruction sir ନବାକୁ ପଡିବ.
ଆଚ୍ଛା ଠିକ ଅଛି।
I have to.
ଆଉ 13 ରେ କରିଦଉଛି 13 ରେ 13
My lord, I am.
13
Decision of the Honorable Supreme
ସାର୍ ଡିସିସନ ପଛେ ଦେଖିବେ ଆଗ ଫ୍ୟାକ୍ସ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ସେ ଡକ୍ୟୁମେଣ୍ଟ ଟା ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଯୋଉମାନେ ଡାଉଟ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ଏରା ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଆଗ
All right.
ଡିସିସନ ପରେ ଆଗ ଫ୍ୟାକ୍ଟ
All
ତାପରେ
right,
ଡିସିସନ
sir. All right, my
ଡିସିସନ କାଣ୍ଟ ପ୍ରିସିଡ୍
I
ଦ
do oblige.
fact.
And Royla
13.
13 okay next okay afterwards କହିଦେବୁ
property, the jurisdiction of the consumer forum is Sambalpur. Loan was sanctioned by the Kotapalli branch Sambalpur. And the complaint case was filed before the DCDS in Nuapada. And the District Consumer Forum Nuapada entertained the application and directed her not to take any coercive action. Bank filed the original application under the RDDB Act. since my lord, the document will be time barred. Agreed by that, the complainant filed that petition that why the since there is interim order by the consumer forum, why the bank filed the suit before the DRT. That is a personal appearance on my lord third from Sambhalpur. They will oblige.
Item number 49.
49.
Last time your lordship directed to file counter.
In this
Did they
case,
file
Lord,
the counter?
Lord, I have obtained the instruction and Parvai's comment also. I pray short 10 days only time we can file.
And consequence of 46, 10 days time to file the counter, Mr. Matter. 15. 15. Next.
Oblige.
Item number 50.
May I please your lordship, my lord? My lord, my sincere apology, my lord. The file has been missed, and I
Take out time.
my lord, pray for 1 week time for rejoinder, my lord. It is a small matter, my lord. It has been already funny,
Small matter, then why do you need time for the agenda?
my lord. Funny matter. In 2019, the Tahsildar enlisted my name. In 2021, they disqualified me.
Yeah, what is your answer?
Why was conducted? Found that the house of the petitioner not damaged, not completely damaged, and that was
After how many days you found that that's not damaged?
from the photography.
Initially, it was damaged. After some time, you can't leave it in a damaged condition. Definitely, anybody will repair the house.
Initially, there was a lease paper that was found somewhere.
No, what happened? As soon as the damage caused, when you assess this, there will be what? It will be in damaged condition. But after 6 months, 7 months, 1 year, you go.
2 years, after 2 years.
After 2 years, definitely the person will not just leave it like just like that. He has
My lord,
to
how they will stay, my lord, if they will
take
not?
some money from somewhere and he has to repair the house. How can you say that this house is not damaged after 2 years? Suddenly appreciating the everything.
My lord, the
That can't be allowed.
BPL category.
That can't be allowed. That can't be allowed. Your counter evidence is not acceptable. B by 3. ଏଇଟା ଗୋଟେ ଅଛି ମୁଁ ଦେଖିନି ଗୋଟେ ଲୋକର ଘର ଭାଙ୍ଗି ଦେବେ ପଇସା
My lord, they have already given.
ତାପରେ আমরা କେମିତି ଘର ଭାଙ୍ଗିବୁନି ଆପଣ ଫାଷ୍ଟ ଯେ ଲୋକ ଗଲା ସେଟା ଦେଖି ପାରିଲାନି ଯେ ଲୋକ ଫାଷ୍ଟ ସର୍ଭେ କରି ଯାଇଥିବ ସେ ଦେଖିନି ଆଉ ପଛେ ବର୍ଷେ 2 ବର୍ଷ ପରେ ସଡନଲି ଆପଣ ଅଫିସରକୁ ନିଦରୁ ଜାଗ୍ରତ ହେଇଗଲେ
My lord, they have already given me 10,000 at the initial
ବାକି
stage.
ସବୁ ପଇସା ଦେଇଦେବେ ଆଉ କେତେ ପଇସା ଦେବା କଥା
Only 85,000.
ଆଉ ଦେଇଦେବେ 85,000 the remaining amount to be paid within 1 month from today.
Much obliged.
But yours came with glass and extra D by.
How D by 3? Yes. D by 3. Ganga Bhoi, Chanda Bhoi. Okay. Tapare? Present condition of house is good. 2 years पर देखले good होगा नहीं? Bad can देवो. Since the petitioner was found, the petitioner house was found to be in a damaged condition during the first inspection by the team, and accordingly the loss was assessed by the team, and he was paid the initial
10,000, my lord.
installment of the funny compensation as rupees 10,000.
10,000, my lord.
And another
85,100.
Another 85,100 rupees was paid, which was rejected by the authority, stating that the petitioner's house was not damaged.
After 2 years.
And consequently, the state submit that, the petitioner submit that the said re-inspection was done after 2 years. And during that time, the petitioner had spent his own money, spent money borrowed from different sources and prepared the house. And during that period, and in the second inspection, hence during the second inspection, the house was said to be in good condition. So the subsequent inspection by the authority after 2 years cannot find the house in a damaged condition as the petitioner was staying in the said house. And it was necessary to repair on his part. And accordingly, he had repaired the house. The re-inspection for no reason. Okay, छाड़ा आमा से कोविड से कम है कोविड ले ले घर तो बिचरा रहो जे भी चार घर भांगी दिवस इनसे खाली तो रखो ना यही बारे land council the state submits that the re-inspection was delayed because of the the onset of COVID. Be that as it may, this court is of the view that the petitioners deserve to get the outstanding in the balance amount within a period of 3 months.
Much obliged.
The authority is directed to pay the balance amount within 3 months from today.
Much obliged.
The disclosure next.
Item 51.
Yes.
Ballot same. Same matter.
Same matter. Same matter. এটা কেতে নম্বর এটা
51.
51 ভিডিও আছে এরা আমরা আউছি 51 52
52 absent.
53
53.
Bharangaraj Singh non appears for the petitioner list the matter on 21st December. Achandi? Okay.
This case, my lord, I've challenged the Annexure 3 the discharge against the discharge petition. Offense under section, my lord.
What is the offense?
My lord, 498, 372, 1, 506,
498A.
Yes, my lord, 498.
Who are you?
I'm the petition number 1, the husband of the informant.
So how husband of the informant wants to?
Yes, my lord. And petition number 2 is the she alleged that I have kept relations with the petition number 2. The petition number 1 was kept relations with the petition number 2. That is the allegation. So against me, my lord, 372 and 21, how it is possible the charge has been framed, my lord. That is my other offense, maybe, my lord. Yes, it's a trial, but in these offenses will not be charged, will not be framed, my lord, against me.
Has the opposite party come?
Yes, opposite party, my lord, they are appear.
Who? They have appeared.
They have appeared in the through o'clock. But
here, lawyer.
Ajit Kumar Raut, PK Satpathy.
I'm giving you another date.
Yes, my lord.
Non appears for the respondent, private respondent. Though Mr. Ajit Kumar Raut and PK Satpathy's name is reflected in the cause list. So, in view of the name of the councils, the cause list, they are directed to appear before this court on the next date of hearing, 8 November. 8.
Yes, madam.
Urban meeting manapagade.
Again.
Let them
entry model there.
Entry model to next. 54.
54.
My pleasure also. There is the act in this petition under section 193 CRPC has been rejected by the Law and Session Judge Miller.
What happened?
Case under section 302 IPC Miller. There is direct allegation against 5 accused persons and altogether 14 accused persons named in the affair. But though there is from the affair, there is direct allegation that 4 persons detained the deceased and 1 assaulted, but the charge sheet was filed against only 1 person. That is Prakash Pradhan.
You are for?
I am the informant. And though the honorable appellate court notice your lordship say it will take some time to
Non appears for the opposite party, private opposite party.
Private
notice
notice जाएनी complete ही दिला
193 जो देइछंती
notice private opposite में कहीं नहीं है state is party lordship should keep it to other day so that हम full fledged
private नहीं
ना
ताको इम्प्लीट କରିବା ପାଇଁ ଚାହୁଁଛନ୍ତି ତାକୁ
ନା କେହି ନାହିଁ କେହି ହବାର ନାହିଁ ଆମେ ତ ଇନଫର୍ମ ନିଜେ ଆଉ accused persons
ନାଇଁ ଯୋଉ ଆକ୍ୟୁଜ କୁ ଆପଣ ଆଡ୍ କରିବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଛନ୍ତି 193 ରେ ପିଟିସନ ଦେଇଥିଲେ ତାକୁ ନୋଟିସ ଯାଉ
ହଁ ସେମିତି
ଆପଣ କାହାକୁ add କରିବାକୁ
yes 193
for as per the FIR lordship should kindly
implement them
the
file an implement application Land Council the petitioner seeks to file an implement application implementing the accused persons
who are left out in the charge sheet
left out in the charge sheet hala accordingly the implement application let the matter be listed on 20th
मेरा
20th
this month मिला
yes अपन implement application file कर देंगे
in the meantime I will file it
अपन next
next month रे आसुन हल
6 दे
मेरा
6 दोची 6 implement application अपन allowed हेगला तापर आउट डेट देबी
अच्छा
आपण implement टा फाइल कर देंतु बाय फ्राइडे सुधा फाइल कर देंतु
अच्छा मेरा it will come from lordship by Monday because I have to inform you that will come from ढेंकानाल Hon'Ble last the person will come so affidavit
आज्ञा
से तार
ढेंकानाल ढेंकानाल केते
आज्ञा से अच्छे ठीक देह खराब थला बोली मते कहउतला जा सेथि में
so okay 9th कर दे 9th let it come on 9th
yes
तापर नोटिस गला लंबा डेट दे दी
मेरा
next
मेरा entry order to continue
entry order कौन थी लगी
yes stay up further
okay
proceedings
entry order next
Item 55.
oblige me
55
My lord, in this case, I don't know, the opposite partner too. So yesterday I have received, but I have not gone through this. Lots of allow 1 week time.
आपण की
Opposite partner to Corona.
1cc gets to say
you are the informant
Yes,
complainant
complainant. After
complaint.
the final report is submitted, then once it was filed, the cognizance taken, thereafter.
okay land council for the open number 2
Yes, sir.
6 1 week time for filing the reply sorry 1 week time okay so
no interim order
6 1 week time it is the matter 13 interim order to continue hala 13 interim order अच्छी इधर है
मेरा
interim order to continue आओ इतनी नहीं 500 बार इधर लग रहा है